lấy cơ sĩ râm gây ang li sâu khai ra hồ giang ri giang ra hồ mà paning tu khơi giang chan sớm cơ hai ini wi giang ra hồ lấy sát càng tùy cơ hai bờ ôm trắng hồ lu ngờ xa những người hi rộng cái yang li thấy là cái we pay chung yêu winning li cái chi cái ta tâm cái chi yêu winning li thấy khờ ngờ han tâm cái chi mà chính ri rơ duy duy va cái chi cái ta tâm li rất xa ni đâu lấy sát càng tùy cơ hai vợ ô cái chán ô lu ngờ xa những người hi rộng cái yang li thấy là cái we pay chung Hello chị. Dinh cung cái trang quê thân nơi khơi mang tu cơ mà tai ni nguy rây tung linh ở giang buồn đờ用破开了之美歌曲dinh gật cả sung là con了么个什么大美的最好分可梦不亚路一里宁么用未来一下更爱吧爱手里一呢未来个Tenga hayu glum ne hui haya wanta de ne yu mi lu ne tori kruta de ozin kum pei chong ne wi kon mang shai mơ xì lung hi li lơ nơ nào giàu nơ quy lung khơ lui không ngờ mà lại bay cái gì mà nơ quy chẳng hạn nhưng ai mà mơ lại mơ rêu mà tiếc lơ ninh li wo chính rơ la xì ô cái cho mơ u không hi nơ ninh mơ Kızın sirali nşangadı Kızın unteng hong Tenga hayu klung Nge hui ge haya wantadı Nge yuro milu Nge tori krutadı Ozin pei chong Tenga hayu glum Nge hui ge haya wantadı Nge yuro milu Nge tori krutadı Ozin pei chong
Hello, hello. Akshi. Hello, hello. Hello, check, hello. 사오세요? 밍라임 만드지 사다스네. 조 트랙. ngâm ni được cơ hai ngay ya tâm đi yêu mis nào li som phang si da chân cái giấc mi ring la mi na shi wo li rim cơ bom thai cũng chỉ có vì phụ con na chỉ thấy mi ya cho khờ ra mình nu rim rim Come on, show me the love game, the real Yamanum, ngai shimli, kaharbana, unkawai wisu, kong mi ha. Giờ nào người sốt nào mà lại phung đờ ini mang sao ha hang ở rau sệt nào được khi sốc rờ mà phơi mà rờ ini vì mi rin cũng chỉ có vì phụ con nè chỉ thấy mi ya so khờ ra mình nửa rim rim Come on, show me the love game, the real Yamanum, ngai shimli, kaharbana, unkawai huisir, call me home. Woo! Ishavna gayang kareli Pashang patay inaw da Kalay gishina Narhay na layko Abuna nawling Pungchi ko wifukon na Chitay mi yarsho kara Manurim ring Come on, show me the love game, the real Yamanum, ngai shimli, kaharbana, unkawai huisu, call me home. You share it. 3만 세야? 연당해서 사르고
lấy xiang sót nào ping aring sin atam hiwi program hi hau pok pai khai ne khangaran la kup sang ser khai ne kha yari ping chum wi khơ we na rada kala unit ping member ping kipa kha mara chogida hwi program hi ma hau pok pai la pam da khalai ne cheina kathak wi alungli ground hi wili chair na chumi wang set sam hi da khalai hi rachipui mi haulo program hau pok ari issue wi artist ping hina mathang sada la sami da lei arila stage hi natumna ranganing laga rachi puimi lo gchi hi natumri kapo sada lei Ari unit be katana ping kajivili initiative khui mi kawai na tumli ka chithai sa dalai poetry hi lamlang phali ringui ramvu ngainge ringui ramhon raute dm kasom hata katam naw long hi ping hi mang hi na rami da khalai ne kala ari hi poetry hi wi competition hi saugi da lai chu wangai na zangi da khalai ping na kathak aina announcing buthili ra misang haulo mazang mara chisa ilala itumli mazang mare gji hi report khara samilo team we leaders ping ari poetry kala essay we itum the script hi hili collect sada kala ne chaina mara zang mara chisa ilala mara zang mare gji tharzari ka hai itumli khara ji thaimilo kala zangra ja khaba script ji ga thak we alungli itumi program mahau pokrang la ka itumi pangli misang mi haulo gji hi itumli ka po sada lai.
Hello, check. Me right mandal last as say. Hello, check. Hello, check.
Tell my heart to stop beating. Tell my mind not to think. They're all a storm in the ocean. And tell that storm not to sink. Tell the world stop turning around. Tell the sky not to be so blue. Tell the rain to stop falling down like tears. But don't tell me to stop loving you. Don't tell me to stop loving you. Tell the past to be forgotten, and tell the storm not to sink. Tell the promise made to be unspoken, and my lips not to have them kissed. Tell the world to stop turning around. Tell the sky not to be so blue. Tell the rain to stop falling down like tears. Don't tell me to stop loving you. Don't tell me to stop loving you. I can't do it. I can't stop. It's something I love. I see. Only the broken hearted know the way I feel. Tell the world stop turning around. Tell the sky not to be so blue. Tell the rain to stop falling down like tears. But don't tell me to stop loving you. Don't tell me to stop loving you.
Salaos ne akhne. Hello, hello, check, hello. Hello, check, hello.
Kışına kavivan satfuga miramli yersho itakda hanungra makanang lagalu ulashiyo mga ching roksa tuwing Ramdada pamaro salala Paning u la shi mei la shi yo กทารันสัมพังเรชินเลมาเป็นเรอีวีวาลาชิโยโอนลาโคมังเจงรกเสตุยงชีรำดาดาปังโรซาลาลาkhờ mơ tay rầm ly yêu tùy giật quân như gờ chung khờ thế chỉ nơ lơ mà bên rơ yêu vi vang là shi yo ôn la khô mà ngỡ chê ngỡ rốc sơ tùy ngỡ shi rầm đà đà bấm ngã rô xa lơ lơ trôi xe
yari bing rai san na gai la rai san na gai msa mi lo tum na thami bang program kham tha thang aran mi hai de le jai nai tum sharuk khila kre kale shu bi program hi ka tha ku alung li how pho khawai sa la kre chota la chota ngarai rum se chota ka hon wi athai shai pa pa ba me arai tum nam how pho chaw rang la ka I la du shita ka ji thai a ka khani sa lu shit hawe mahangsa masapai jovangai na atam hi khoilu shita khalaine ari sagi gaji poetry kala essay wi script mara mirangaji zangdalai team gaji tha chaina kathak wi alungli pungkhai makarang laga issue wi announcing booth hili rami sanghaulo hiwi hangda khalai atam wi alung hili issue wi program hi haupo khaleuda ndathum wi script ji itumna accept masami paisine huina ghai wang judge li mi sang thran huina hai paisine chuwangai na ma huina rang laga gatha kai na script ji essay wi kala poetry wi ji rami sanghaulo kali khada mazang maraga chiping team lai sa I chila report ra samilo team kai khana marazang marai gi hi report sami dale ningshi yena nga soda khabau khon hi sha dalai akhava ari ground hiwi ayarli dukan shomi de khalai ping na thumli kapo sa dalai chingra da iswi program hi pungkhai wang mang na thumbi dukan shungmi hai salo gaji na thumli saklak aina kapo sa dalai pungkhai wi shikhawi wang mang dukan hi kha shungmi hai salo gaji kapo salu shitalai kachai thumbi participant thing hi ishi khokham sa pai thuwe akhana razanga khawa akhana shokhai sa akhana razanga akhana shokhai sa ga ji layai re chuwangai na dukan ping chingra da ithumi ka po hi khakhui sangmi laklo kala dukan chi pungkhai wiwang mang khashung mi sa lo ga ji na chumli announcing booth hi wi aina saklak aina po dalai chumwi yari ping tra khana razang maman hai re chuwang ningshie arila na sang lai chumi program hi how pok vai saw re it should be actually special guest razang ra dalai
check hello hello check tanggalava asma sanas hello check
sound of the night and it's ringing the lights around you. Hanging paper angels, painting little devils on the roof. Oh, the furnace wind is the flickering of wings about your face. In a cloud of faint sands, yeah, it smells like heaven in this place. I can't eat, can't sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. That face, those eyes, all these simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means of getting in underneath my skin. Oh, you were always my original sin. Tell me why I shut eye inside every time we begin this dangerous game. Oh, you were always my original sin. Dream will fly the moment that you open up your eyes. A dream is just a riddle, calls from every corner of your life. In the balcony, all the Romeos are pleading for your hand, blowing you the kisses. Sometimes you don't understand. I can't eat, can't sleep, still I hunger for you when you look at me. That face, those eyes, all the simple pleasures deep inside. Tell me how you know now the ways and means of getting in underneath my skin. Oh, you were always my original sin. And tell me why I shut inside every time we begin this dangerous game. Oh, you were always my original sin. Tell me how you know now ways and means of getting in underneath my skin. Oh, you were always my original sin. And tell me why I shut inside every time we begin this dangerous game. Oh, you were always my original sin.
Rita sauce.
Jubilee artist Pingli ni Shila Khaire Aruya Tomina Itumli Hita the entertain Sami the Kalei Vivang. Yarui Saikor Hitada Nganing Delaylaga Natangwi attention. Ili Kamira Milushitlo Kaja Akama Games Ngareugi Kijipingwi sequence Aina Hangta Milushitke. Karesada Men's Football Matchy Tushan Chanhongwi Aina. Tushan Chanhong versus Ngainge Pung Tarukli Ngareu Pokra. Chiwitili second match Raute versus Lamlang Hingareu 7:40 AM Li. Gagatumali, Rambu versus Tora Ato, 10:20 AM Li Ngareura, Tainiem versus Somdel, Pung Baroli Ngareura, Kala Ringui versus Sirarukong, Pung Aka Manit Hangmati Katang Shida Ngareura, Kala จะมีโชว์ฮิวิคณาวะ men's football ริงวิรัมฮอน versus พลีฮิตาดังเรียวกิกจีเน่ sequence กายให้อะค่ะว่า issue วิ play ฮิมังฮินีมันนิงละขังเตยตรักขลีซาเจ้าระกจีฮิชิดสังเกนัทุมนะอิลิลังไม่ได้จงไม่ได้ไทยเด็กเลยเนี่ยชูวังไงนะชาวบ้านนัตังดา football player นัทุมไซโครลีปุงทารุกวิเอนะเฮาพกไปขวายเฮาพกขวายนัทุมนี้สักลาใครนะกับโปซาเดลัย men's volleyball ฮินะcareer match สิรารุคอง versus ไซโครมาจุดมิโล men's volleyball วินเนสิรารุคอง versus ไซโครกับขณีลีตุชันจันฮง versus ริงุยกับกทุมาลีราวเท versus ริงุยรัมฮอนกับกทุมาลีราวเท versus ริงุยรัมฮอนขมาตีลีตุชาร์ versus รัมเวอร์กับละกับพงาลีเอลพุงเตอร์ versus ติงชองกับละกับทรุกลีพาลี versus winning team เจน่ะงเรียวกิดอะไรตะขลัยนี่กับละ women's volleyball วีฮิละหางมิลิชิดเกข้างหน้ามีลังโล career match ไงเงือ versus ไซคอร์ women's volleyball วินเนฮินะไงเงือ versus ไซคอร์ไทเนม versus ริงวีรัมฮอนกากาทมลีซอมดุล versus ตะลุยกาลคามาตีอาลีพาลี versus ริงวีฮิตาตาสากิดอะไรดักเลยนี่อาชีวี play จีอาตัมยังค่ะว่าจาลักไอ้นางเรียวดาริงพานายอาตัมจาลักไอ้กุบสังเงอาคำว่าจะมีโชว์ฮีอิชวี play ฮีตรักเลยเดเลยเขาก็พกปุ่งทรุกวีนะเขาพกเขากีจีเนเจนะมันก็ไอ้ลักละจัดขวายจัดเซจิอาค่ะ player นั่นทุ่มวีปังลีตรักเลยเดเลยนั่นทุ่มนักเตี้ยวค่ะมินิทพังอาตราหุยเขาเลี้ยวเดจิเวนะหุยตามรอนนักอิชวี play ฮีลิตรักหับกับคนเลยเอาละก็ลังจินวีโปรแกรมตรักเลยเดเลยจีละหับกับคนเลยให้ไปชินเจนะนั่นทุ่มลีสักลักไอ้เนกระโปงสาโค alarm set สักจักละก็ปุ่งพังอามาไข่อิชวี ground ฮีลี players ปิงนาราสังมีเฮาโล referee umpires ปิงนั่นละนั่นทุ่มลีงไรสาเรก็ละปุ่งทรุกตังชุดะ referee นักของละก็เฮาพกไว้ซาเซไม่ยัยเลยจัง psychology player ปิงมาสังไซจีละอีจะเจ้าวิ teammates ปิงนะโจสักลักให้นะหางเดลัยโคตั้มจ่าลักให้นะวาโลดะนั่นทุ่มนะก็กระต้มสังมีลักโลอารีฮีช่วยโปรแกรมฮีมาเฮาพกรังเอค่ะมีฮียังไงค่ะวะจงเดลัยไม่ใช่หนูอีลีถ้าได้พันิงค่ะอีทุ่มวี comparers ปิงอีทุ่มวี secretaries ปิงวีอาตั้มมาสิงกับไทยเนี่ยแต่ละอีทุ่มละ guilty feel ซาลักเอค่ะ ground ฮีมาปุยลักละเลยเด็กเลยจูวังทุ่มโปรแกรมฮีมาเฮาพกไปทุเอจูวังไงนะจาไม่ได้อาตมรักไว้ซาเสอาจิกก็จิกท่าจิมวะท่าลักไงนะจาลักไงนะรามีเดทักลักไงนะค่ะจุงขไม่ทีมนะยัง accept ซาเสจุงขไม่ทีมนะอาตมจาลักไงนะมารามีทุเอใช่เนาะฮิตาดามาซาลิเซทุ่มกระตำนาวีพันิดลักเอกระตำนาวิงนะอาตมจาดมาสิงกับขี้บานสิงเรกเลยยังใช่เนาะอาคำว่าจาไม่ได้สิงกับไว้ซาเซอารีเฮอินะก็ลีเลยเดลัยใครแต่ว่าเขาว่าทุ่มฮิลีเลยเดลัยเดทีมเมมเบอร์เป็นจีโคกษาเดฮิลีเลยดังหันกามิโลคิดว่ามันไม่รักสังให้เลยก็เลยก็จีอย่างรักเขาเกยใส่คอร์ก็ลีเลยเดลัยตัวมีแค่นี้ก็ทุ่มมีมังชาเดลัยโคที่ก็ถ้าใครก็เลยใส่คอร์ก็จีลีเลยเดลัยตัวโคกษาดักชิฟ้ามีเลยจ้ะนั่นสิละ attendance วัดขังสักลีจังเดลัยโคไม่ใช่มีไอ้เซ่สิรารุคงก็ลีเลยเดลัยอาชีมีพังอาทรุกลิมาลังเดลัยมันเน่อาชีวีรีพอร์ตregister สักให้ลีอย่างอ่ะเขาวัดชิลีจุงไม่ได้ไรยังอาชีชูโปรแกรมคุยขังสักลีนั่นชิลจังเดลัยโคกระต้องอะไรมารามีตัวริงวิรัมฮอนก็ชิลจังเดลัยตัวจีเดลัยจียังไม่ใช่มีให้โลตัวระตัวก็ชิลจังเดลัยตัวระก็ลีเลยเดลัยตัวคันนี้มั่งนะปังขังก็เดลัยไม่ใช่มีโลอาคำว่าจุงไม่ได้participate สักไว้ก็แล้วตั้มจำไม่ได้รัสเซ่พลีก็เลยได้เลยตัวพลีบาชิก็จุงได้เลยได้ค่ะอาชินะ register ก็สาลีละก็จุงไม่พลงไงเงือก็จิเลยได้เลยตัวอาจารย์ไงเงือทักโลอาชีวิตทัด spirit ที่จุ่มได้ทำคุยคุยไว้ซะเซ่ติ้งชงก็เลยได้เลยตัวติ้งชงมารารังล่ะเฮ้ยเฮ้ยมากกระตัดสาชิจะกระตัดมิงกันนะอีเวนต์ทุ่มอีเวฮัทธาก็เลยได้เลยตัวฮัทธาละมันรังไม่ได้ ร้านอะไรล่ะเจอคนก็ชาดเลยวะสิมาใช้ละก็ยังชาดเลยคนลำลังก็เลยได้เลยตัวอาจารย์จงลาก็อาชีพจีมีกระทงบ้างแต่มีห้องพงเอาอย่างคนใส่เขาตัวชาร์ปชิก็เลยแล้วตัวชาร์เห็นไหมเฮ้อิชวีโปรแกรมเฮ้ช่วยขังสักอย่างริงวีปังคันนี้บางขังกันแต่เทเลยว่าคนมันไม่ชกแรงทุเวคันนี้ให้ตัวไว้ชินาไก่กะสมเดอร์แกขนาดเลยตัวไม่ชินาพลุงเขาจีจังจีวะโปรแกรมที่มาบุ้งว่าพาขังสักหินถุยละจังลักตัวเลยเขารำฟูก็เลยได้เลยตัวรำฟูมารารังเอฮีมากระตัดเงสักเขาสิเนี่ยเราเจที่จันหงที่ฉันจันหงมาไรหรือตัวชกว่าวก็เลยจะลุยโฮสต์ทีมฮิวแต่เลยบาชิมังใครถ่ายลิโก้ไอ้ร้านสังขายนะทุ่มไซโครลีนิ่งชนะใครรู้เขาค่ะอาคามาจะมีชัวร์อีทุ่มโปรแกรมฮีมาปุ่งพามาอย่างสักเซจค่ะว่าอีจะจ้าวียูนิตลีมีมาตายให้เสยังก็ตัวฮิลิพาร์ติสิเปตซาเซโคกซาดาจัดเซโคกซาดาเซกจีฮิหางไงก็เลยอาตั้มจ้าไม่ได้เขาพกไว้ซาเซอาจจะอีทุ่มนะปุ่งทรุกมาขายลิเซ็ตซาขายจารุปุ่งจุดฉัดหลังให้เรเจนะโปรแกรมฮีชิไม่ได้ซาบะเสียกับไว้ซาเรเจนะนั่นทุ่มไซโครลีกับโปซาลุชิตเลยเขายังนั่นทุ่มไซโครลีกับโปซาลุชิตเลยนั่นทุ่มมีอะไรอินิชิทีฟคุยเสียเลยก็จะจ้าวิทีมจีจ้าไม่ได้เขาพกไว้ซาเซนิ่งชิลาใครเลยขณะว่าซาดาอารีละ poetry ก็เลย essay วิวังอัตมชอบมีได้เลยเมเนตขณีอาขวิลุงลีรามิสังหาวรโน
Hello, check. Once again, a very good evening to all the delegates of Jingdun Tangkhul Kazam Nalong. There's a saying, the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. I repeat, the sun rises from the east and sets in the west. Zimiki Jingsoi na shoke Jingdun ni tunne. As 75 kak shunga Jingdun Tangkhul Kazam Nalong wi Platinum Jubilee Come Conference le. Kangaroo kangan wi ngchali sa yang wena kangan chunga leba me jile aru atam hiwa queen dog kathem thang me na kangan na zangba me zime ke jingshole shok akha jingtun ni tunre phasale kangaroo kangan le akha wa queen dog le kangan le ba me chi hi ithumi ningchuk le haimi ser sei jena hitha ni tre khamyon wena iwi no wi talent ni kili le jile khla ka chila tam khui akhalang sa sei azung jin program hi isada chata khwai sa le facilitation na hobokre juitangli special guest later followed by quiz later juitili youth parliament later kala khnawale poetry later general item here I would like to call upon our respectable Mr. President Kuriru P.A. Ipchan on the stage for the facilitation program.
La tuishita ring phang jin salam mil shitle aru nya tam hi thum wang ring pham dai mi thui ja special sala ga ya atam ngya akhang sang sak se itum hi atam gi hang sel ga itum tong na kai bam da le yang mi mra ka ta pok jang ru da sang khalang rai kai ne ka thal la anyway itum hopok vai sau se chen itum hi ajing ya we competition program ma cha ta chau nang la kha hi da arui nya hi itu wang rim pham thui je felicitation program a khai ta sami ngai ye chia khangtai muning mane itu mili khuni thoda ka sada kala itu mui khangreu li phaulang ne leida khle itu mui legisha agto hormi pam luiwa hi tangkhuri wang la I jingdu noi wang la khareng sada आज इंडिया विली चुमी थुइजा इंडिया वे नेशनल टीम लिजंग दलाई कला ISL खंगनावली केरला ब्रासली ngriawda hita hak chui lagena mangawa lagena ngriaw chatta khleta mili आज इथुम हिगदा रिंग पा हांसिनि द भंगा का सुंगवे नित्रे खम्यो निली आ मसाला उंजंग दले चुइवांगिना लेगिसे अगदो हमिबामनि तदा इथुमै जिंगदु ना अगसादा कला आज इथुमै खंगरियावली स्पोर्ट्सली ह्याखमंगा बादा खलेहि ara itu muat atom ngati sudah kengrau hi kreli wa krana bina hila a parts of education that just say ara hiba akai no meaning loimne kachang khat hakla kai education ji hila ga ida aji tum nala kchungala ngrau nganai re chiwangena arui atomi itu mui legisha agato hompam niwali itu mui yarui ketong mangali stage li hokanga ye chana agato hompam na mangawak kasok miruno ana sok hung da le laka ana kathada ngriaw hai re kaling ngriaw dale kya ka wasungai re kathada hopok ji issue we compares bingai na ngana man se agdo homipam na mangawak aksida sok miruno
Hormipam Riva is an emerging football player. During the recently held national team debut with Belarus on 26 February of March of this month, Hormipam was titled the most emerging player of the month March. He is one of the Indian Super League Player of the Month March. On 26 March 2022, Hormipam has been one of the most successful debutants in the Indian Super League this season, playing 14 matches and having kept 7 clean sheets was a top-notch achievement for the young late dispute. Despite his young age, Hormipam showed composure in tough situations and came out on top of the situations. Hormipam has the highest number of defensive challenges in Indian Super League, 8 matches, an average of 14 challenges per game. Apart from being organized, Hormipam can get those large ditch tackles, also right, which has created many highlight reels. Looking at his skill at the back, Hormipam was also called up for the national duty for the friendlies in Bahrain, where he made his debut against Belarus. Hormipam will also be a part of the national team camp for the Asian Cup qualifiers scheduled in July 2022. Thank you.
Ning sila kai re itu mui agto Hormipam mangaling nang diklai pa hi jingtu na ga sa da chak kha manga wa da khangrewli manga khui dele azu jingtu tangkhul gudam nalong na nali yaru ko tongoi mangali chakmai state ring pha phungsok da khlata mili rivran la naling chom miruno so miruno mangali chatwagi jili rivran than mida mangawa khamai khayuya kala nawi teammate ko tonga kala nawi yengsang mi da khle coach kala nawi yengsang mi da khle oja ko tonga la leiki sheng sa da mangawa khamai sarno ji jingtun tangkhul gudam nalong muthunai na ji hang ngai nei chanang so da kanjang khat ring pha ye na ka khuni tho chungwi da shokru no ji we ring pawe mayuk sada jatigian pangnano tyomiga sangai dele
Kuiru Hormipam Rivali, Zington Katamnao, Long Hinalish Lakaina Certificate of Excellence Hila Midale. Hili Certificate Hili Kapihai the Kleina Pashok Mike, Zington Tankul Katamnao Long 75th Jubilee Celebration Cum Conference held during 20 to 26 April 2022. Certificate of Excellence. This certificate is proudly presented to Mr. Hormipam Riva, player of Indian national football team and Kerala Blaster FC, in recognition of your outstanding performance in your field of expertise. The certificate li kapi hai daklene.
aruila atam hida da khui luila khau ke ring pha mai thui ki ja atam hili aji itu mai hili itu mai former president la saksa itu mai special case itu mai doctor ngareng nam ang thole itu mu chung la the re ka chang khat ring pha ye itu mai zati ke wi president sa sa la ka aji itu mai tangkhuli kala jingtun nui ram ni chui mai thui da hak mai thui da tada education ni pong ni chatra glai hi akhang sa da le arui itu mili rajang da le asam la the re kha thala la arui la doctor li la akisida itu mai stage li koi ka hokanga ye kala itu mai zati ke na doctor na itu mai jingtun tangkhul gudam na long wi president sa sa la ka aji khunai to ka tong wi bang itu mai ngoyo yang sa khwai thada kra rung yo thada katam na long wi ka thana sa la ka aji government nui ot sa la ka hak mui tui chui mai tui je thakli chatak le ka changkat rang songa ye mi pingwe mangali toktang reng nam itu min zati ke former president ne da hangi ji itum changkat ring phak jangai itu mai ka jang khate rang songa lage katam na wi ka thana sa la ka mangawa la ka na ring sei da kle aji tangkhuli lecturer ka chung khale ka professional da profession da hita da pura recognize sa ka hi chung khala malay mne ka aru hi itu mi legi she doctor hi Indira Gandhi National Tribal University we ki gala director la salga pom da khle ka changkhat itum ring phaye chena doctor lila tangku katam na jingtun tangku katam na long katong wi muthune na ring ka pha ning si phongsong ai dele doctor na la akhsida ya really chakmai chithei mi phai stage lia khsida kang sangai dele kala jingtun na ka tong wi muthune na doctor nanna itu mai ka thana ka sa sa la hita da mangali ngning khami wi ring ka pha ning si wi ta da pangna la ka sida saru shit ngai dele
Kya shigapaya oja Professor Angie Ngalingnam li katam now zingtun katam now long hina kachon aina issuwi certificate of excellency migidalai certificate chili hida da kapi haidalai pashok mike Zingtun Tangkhul katam now long Jubilee 75th Jubilee Celebration Cum Conference held during 20 to 26 April 22 at Talui Village, Ukhrul District. Certificate of Excellence. This certificate is proudly presented to Professor Angie Ngalingnam, Director, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, RCM, in recognition of your outstanding performance in your field of expertise. Signed by President ZTKL, 75th Platinum Jubilee Planning Committee and General Secretary. Ari issuwi presentation atam hi kui dalai laga kui lak house the hang dalai chaina president we pang we ina itumna legacy pangran hi rakhui milo pangran hi achi ngazin sagi dalai daklai youth parliamentary than mi gi dalai daklai judges sping poetry hi we judges sping essay we judges kala quiz master athum pingli migida leida khlaini shaina remake kapta youth parliament we judges katum Dr. Soremi Vashi assistant professor YK College Wangjing ana Ramirano Chewitili Lashio Somungla Khamrang principal RMHS Somdil ana matang sadara khoimirano atam mashiman khabain tumli saklakan podalai Chewitili Youth Parliament Week Agatuma Judge Sameki Dr. Vino Raman, Assistant Professor Patrick College, Ukhrul. We say Hewitili Poetry we Judge Sameki Lashio M. One Shimpam Lecturer UHSS. Hewitili Queer Mark Chipang, Secretary Tangkhul Literature Society. Guest Judge. Anina la rakhoy mirno poetry bashi ari malai da lai mane chaina ashama rakai utili ngaran now say utili quiz master yasho ringam rungsung lecturer St. Joseph College Ukhrul ana rakhoy mirno ning shila kai re presentation hi hina khang chang sai re
Thank you, Mr. President, for the facilitation and the facilitation program. Now I would like to call upon a special guest, Professor Dr. N.G. Ngalengnam, Director, Indira Gandhi National Tribal University, RCM, and former President Zedekiel, to give a short speech. Shall we all give a round of applause as a welcome address to the Mr. Former President.
Iwi le shila gahaya kala itum sai korwi le shila gahaya ajui Zedekiel we President Secretary kala Executive Wing aju Platinum Jubilee hiwi Convener Tui Gahai Tangku Jingdun Kadam Now Long Hiwi President's Wing Rajang Gahaya Unit Saikoriwi Member Saikora Lang Meda Kuena Ragzip Daglaya Aung Gala Village Authority members Gala Ram Now Saikora Lang Meda Church we Yaugoma Katana Saikora Arui Hikatha Saklak Haya Adam Hili Ilila former president Aksada Natumna Long Now Hina Hikatha Adam Ringapa Adam Hili Hokamihi Tailaga Yui Ringapa Ningashi Junka Hongsok Dale Ina Adam Sangdamokwimra Minute Panga Tata Kwimagay Lishilagana Hokami Wang Nishe Aju Adam Hi Ringpa makeup gaje long now we vanga Jubilee Agasada Mayonda Kalehi itum Saigoruna Gadom Ye Gala Paniung Laga Twigahaya dumping Paniung Laga itum Ringapa Kajunga Sambange in a Shilagana Buena Kani Hangaja Ila Lidik Tamaman Laga graduation final year Adamili in a president Gisane Talu Kuhili Razang Laga Kashwira Gena President Ili Alexau the graduation Gublaga next year Gadahi Chingumaka studies break Saye Gala Iwi Chingum J 91 Line 91 to 92 Gala 93 January next the Dam Gabewi conference Pamlaga Jili with Dam Jikupsange. Jui Tili we further studies the master MPhil PhD the Sava Naujine Adam Jitran he Jubilee South in a the Jui Adam Mineta Quigane Jubilee is here it with Twig High Adam wearing a paring Shilla Panicum Adam South in he mentioned Sakane. But I in a president Janga Kui Adam Jili, Ishi Jingdun Gadam now long Hui unity 7 Magna participates other Lishaye. In a Jung Majulaga, Ishi West Gajihi Haglag Haya unit Ukru district we unit Akane. West Gajili Kare Adamwe Tetang Kamei, Tekare, Ishina Kandeli, Natsan Medaga Kui with Maning where she could rail a saw with the Temla Junga soap bum tem care, take care, he junga shock babum the Kalea, a bum consane. China issue we long now, don't hang a ziblagan at Zatsaye, accept it to my students' union, Zingdun got them now long hilly, unit sini 7 units magna participates at the he long now he function sasa, he tailaga, but the cock a highler, Junga Sampange. We Wangena, if we first agenda Sada Ishi Jingdun got dong here, Coca Saprum Rug, he in a he mobilized Sane. It whom he could got Junga, he will later like Kudong, he marks Malay money, Marks and Malay money. But some Sarah, Jadam, the Arihon with other
การีน่ะคงกว่าก็ต้องริงพลังน่ะจะสารมันนี่เนี่ยก็เพื่อนน่ะคันนี้ทั้งก็จัดแล้วจังก็ทุ่มทั้งมัดจีทั้งถ้าได้คืออาวุธว่าจังมันแล้วก็หับตาก็ during จัดแล้วก็ mobilization จัดแล้วก็ต่างคุย association issue west คือก็จีบก็เลยลงขังเต้เว้นน่ะคืออาวุธองค์ก็ตาคือก็จงกันจะลีจังจัดแล้วก็ฮี convince จัด mobilize จัดแล้วก็อีวีดมจูวีองค์ก็ไปจะเรียกว่า unit 22น่ะ participate ได้ใช่อีทุ่มไม่ใจลีแต่เดอีวีอดสักให้ใจลีอินะหังไม่กับก็จีอีทุ่มไม่achievement อักษรเดอีทุ่มไม่ western ฮิลิเลยดักเลยunit ก็ต้องฮี unified ก็ซาฮีหังไม่กับก็จี achievement อักเนี่ยเดอีชันคุยแล้วก็อีจูริงก็พาก็จงก็สัมปังไงอาจอินะขยังลี unit 17ก็จีถ้าได้หังเดเลย participate ชาดักเลยมาเที่ยวมันเนี่ยพาราเกชาบไปสิจ้ะ government สามเด็กเลยคิววังเขาก็จิกท่าน participate มักสาเลยก็จิเลก็ mobilize สามีโลคิววังเขาจะก็อีทุ่มลงนาวที่ท่าเด็กเลยฮีอาดัมอีทุ่มอดสักไว้มาเลยมันเดเวสักนาววังมันนี่เนี่ยก็ purpose of the establishment of the organization is or was อีทุ่มมีเสียมก้าเสกจินดาเอาครานาวบิงนะเสียมก้ามีให้กับสาฮีคิววังเขาจะก็อาทั้งอินะหังไก่ท่าเด็กก็เดียวก็ต่างคนลุงลีจิเลล่ะมิกรักเครลีจังเขาเดวอดดัมเฮียมาเสียมกับการสาบายมรก็จิวีเบอร์เบอร์เซน่ะอิชิลงนาวฮีริงกับการเด็กคุยเจ้าน่ะอีทุ่มน่ะอาริราสุงดาฮิก็ท้าวี organization อาคือวีเบอร์เบอร์เฮียมาได้ละกันน่ะอีทุ่มมีลุงลี education วี status ก็ท่าเดเลยลิขเลยก็จะเช็คก็ซะก็เลย cooperation อาคือน่ะมีขังรกก็เลยก็ต้องมีรกแล้วก็ขมท้าก็ตำนาวเสียมเสกจีเนี่ยขมท้าก็ตำนาวก็เสียมหินะอีทุ่มไม่ขมท้า future ของสากีจีเนี่ยเจ้าน่ะอีลีอาทั้งอีสิ president น่ะก็จุงก็ขมท้าหังมีใครท่าเดริงพายอีละ president อาคือซาซาแล้วก็อาจุไม่ government ท่าเด service นาวอาคือซาแล้วก็เลยเดเลยจุงไม่เดอีทุ่ม government ดีละอีทุ่มสังกัดไฟซาเซอาปองขังเต้ activities อาทั้ง football วิหังไฮเร่จิกท่าลีละจุงไม่เดสกไฟซาเซขังเต้อีทุ่มไม่อาจจะอาดัมeducation จิละละไลน์จิมังมันนี่เลยอาปองก็จุงใครน่ะ publicly service มีขวายก็เลยก็จะเจ้าวิ profession line ก็ได้เดจัดกับไปก็จุงกันเลยเดก็เลยฮิลีอีทุ่มอาเคยน่าก็ต้องรกแล้วก็เรย์สังขวายงหันขวายอีทุ่มมีplatform อาเคยซาสิจีหังขังไงเนี่ยใจน่ะอีทุ่มมี unit ปิงฮิลโคก็ซาสิทุยก็ให้ลีสักลากันน่ะเชื่อมก็ให้ลงนาวเนี่ยมาท่าไม่ได้อะไรละมาท่าไม่ได้จัดเลยล้างไม่ได้มาท่าไม่ได้ unit อาเคยซาแล้วก็ลงอาเคยซาแล้วก็อีทุ่มจัดไฟซาสิอีทุ่มมี future ก็เลยราดาเด็กเลยอาตัมไซโคโลจีอีทุ่มมี contribution ก็เลยอีทุ่มมีเพการมาสุ่งเด็กจัดอีทุ่มมีนิ่งพันินขมาสุ่งเจ้าน่ะอีทุ่มมี area หิมังเรื่องสังมันนิ่งละตั้งคู่วิยูฮีเรื่องสังสารกระดิอีสิชังไงอีทุ่มจิตหาดซาดอาเคยน่ะอาเคยก็ต้องขงรกลุงลีพักไม่ลงนาวอาเคยซาเซอาจู sports คือกับ Platinum Jubilee Gum Conference ก็เลย sports activities ก็จุงกับ competitionเลยเดเลยอาจุงจินวิ program ละนั่นทุ่มน่ะ literary วิmid program ฮีสิงคากิตะเลยอาปงโต้งฮีไทยละก็ริงกับพักจุงกับสัมปังไงอีทุ่มน่ะทุยกายดำกับสังกับลุงลีสากับสาจีเลยมาทำไม่ขาดอาจุนั่นทุ่มน่ะสาดเลยฮีไทยละก็ริงกับพานิงกับชีก็โต้งนั่นทุ่มกับท่านปิงเลยก็เลย unit วิ member psychology ริงกับพาพงศกตะเลยเจนน่ะ program psychology ไอ้ยาเขาบอกให้เลยก็จุงกับจัดวากิตะเลย psychology ละนั่นทุ่มลีมาให้ไม่รู้เนาะริงพาไม่รู้เนาะ successful กับซาprogram อาจุฮี program ซาโน่ก็เลยจัดวากิตะเลย psychology ละมาทักไม่ริวานละโซกมี program ซาโน่จีหังไงอาขมังอินังรุมสังหาวก in a university li pam da le mai athang hangau da isi university hi bui kada ka deu ka hang ngai ba wa isi university hi mai aju hi aru chang ba department ka chung khala ma le rang ngai ka ka saben dang da expansion wi bang I pangla gen o sa da le aru le da khle hi itu mele computer science department le da le political science and human rights le da le sociology le da le social work le da le kala driver studies physical education la show vai sa da le aru at the moment he being he le da le issue admission process hi first week of May li ba issue website li da advertise sa phokhaw in a hang ngai ba sa bai kha isi dang kun naw la ka saben dang da rang sang ai itu mele da expensive lam sam nei kala itu da basic facilities samsa the environment itu university we transportation he la da free of cost ena da mi da lei khala la next year he itu hostel boys and girls we hostel mi khai sa da lei jaina isi iram naw bing ralo ka saben dang da admission la ra khui khai sa lo itu mi university aru so far da itu chingum hona ka chat gai we lungle itu mi achievement hi ma thala gena leida ishan khu da lei itu mi university we products I MCSO gai chung jang da lei assistant professor sam bangai chung jang da lei academically kala university ka chung khali chamcha da itu mi la PhD atang mi jili political science and social work li PhD program da lei da lei jana research sa da khlai chang da lei Manipur University li tu mi tam now research sa da khlai chang da lei Nehu li research sa da khlai chang da lei DU li university DU li research sa da khlai chang da lei JNU li sa da khlai chang da lei itu mi university we na da pass out cha gai ping hi teu we da ma khilak mne athum khla da learning hak la ga na itu me na phei ka shok da lei kala tu me achievement ji sa da hak la ga na le da lei isi dang kun naw ping la chui facilities kala privilege chi sambang sangai ye isi ga dam naw ping ajja dam hi na tu mi nei tam khoi lo kala khnaw future we pakring sa ser se ka shaben dang da ina na thum le la chi ga thawi lungli ka tom khangai kala da kasat khangai ka ki ka manga khwing sa khangai jibang ina itu mele la ita da rashi gi ni shirak re itum tha da ot sarum se gi hi la ka tom sang ne iwi ka shi speech yana ka tang sau ge na tum sai korli ring pha me lu no gup narim
Nixlagare Dr. Lee encouraging Salah Kaya to share some Kai Jivang. Already told me quiz quicker by South Jana volunteers guides being now. Guides volunteers being now Katagwa Longli stage Lee. Jerka Ngaran Miaulo Atang Kang Tada Jerka Ngaran Miaulo Laga Jer Atum Ngaran Muntra Laga units Kotong units quiz Lee Zangiji units being Jena stage Lee Kami Manalo Adamazang Sakria say Quizly Zangi Jiping Zangi J units ping la ready Sami laga stage lake west
issue special guest na atam khui ngai de le jaina stage hi setting sama man le laga atam khui mi bai ra
ina atam mi shilag na khyaw se jai da khak dot gai na mlai gai ne ina hida da rag zang wi ring ga phasa da iwi blessing jaw ge ga deu na khang ran mi ngai ye isiwi president na deu khang ran ki mi si jani shilag ra
Yari dong na pang lagi na kipe mi say
ni shilag ga
Nixlagare Dr. Lee Azui quiz master Samigi Ju itumi Azui quiz master Samigi Ju he Yarsho Ringam Rungshung lecturer St. Joseph College Ukru I Shekornaune Ariri Zedigal we education secretary Akalang Sadalaye Laga Ahi Ari recently Achonang Gachang Jamli history we PUC we history guidebook Bishokaya lecturer Akalang Saye Jena Ali welcome South Quisada Yarik Dong Banga Pena Stacely welcome South Quisada Quizmaster na Stacely Kang Ning Kazang Miarno.
Athang elimination round li pass sagai mashaga khui leida leida ina lalu da hangmi ge phali tishar ti jan hong tenem somdul ringwi talui sekhor sirar khong magarang ka khni wa dale tim chiko ne 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 lalu da sirar khong sekhor phali tishar ti jan hong tenem somdul ringwi talui Sekhor wadle. Jo sekhor bashina gatha gwi lungli minute khni wa lungli gamilo ashina gam hung dale lakha hita da shilagena adama le mane ishi competition item khani ne ili ngasoda assist ha mi gi chi Miss Shairengon Rainam ana ili ase samira ishi wi scholarly lemion lesson ishi gutumna quiz master sagi gine ani wi wang la yarwi ko tongna akshi bang phemilo cho sekhor bashi second 30 wilungli rajang lo mara kha chishathina saure ram hung dale la achiwi participant ashi hili trada truk leidale team chishat akavadale elimination round gasali mathala gena saga hai pingmange kala in a quiz master saza laga ajak thai gai pingmange familiar saga hai quiz li expert ta gai pingmange ina atumli kala yarui ga tongna atumui wang pang ka phekami terga sai kala deserve sai arma lastly ga phe sai agashi ina atumui ami hangmi la gauge Pali we na yung ringam raman ina sobiam yaw zimi akashi ninga melojo hili leidale yes Pali we na anine ngning salo akashi tisha we na somaya shogung no ina pilayung aungshi anina tisha we na ne ti janong we na ch shangraitan ina matuk mi mayir no anina ti janong tene mo ina vl launchang ina yar lunghar okay somdo we na ningkan muiwa sosomi kamrang hili leidale ringwi wena ngalung ung naungam shirin pi ahum hili leidale yes talui wena linus lungleng ena stephen rungsung hili leidale chui tili sekhor raire sekhor wena ningkhan ps ena bemnau ps hili raire kala khadawali but not the least sirar kong wena chechemi kasom ena ngala yozimi okay ka tong ning ashi mi trada ji shadu wang yaru ka tong na pang pang la ga na ga phemi lo yes jo congratulations ka tong na bami lo fear sala ga na sa khwai ser number shu bawra la ga 1 na hili bamra 2 3 da da bawra chen hi akshi shu myau se 1 2 3 yang jo ka tong ta shu bawlo la ga ser wai san na bamau se akha shu bai ga mer yes kya ga da 1 bam bam bawlo yes 3 na hili gawlo Okay, atumna serial number chup laga seat arrangement sada le laga yar really question khani throw sar laga gathei ba jili hili Red Bull loba 150 we ngara nai le chibaji ishi KMCC ringlan na miaura yar really yang katongli tada paila kai question throw sangai gijine nganga milo tada anyone who discovered that the earth revolves around the sun ogtui flat maning mane round ne gi kipa na phashok to anyone sing to now wrong anymore try sang hai bing Nguyeri. Okay, paila gaya ka. What is the maximum length of TikTok video? TikTok with video maximum length ji kaya ka do? 60 seconds. Kibado jibaje. Jo jili Red Bull ka ringlan na ka mila ko lo jo yes. Pali no thai. Yes. Bang ke miao sia ro bing na. Akama we refreshment sabai regina. This is 7 side la. Mere 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Okay, round pangara adam makle athishura ina ilipung aka kamine ka 30 minutes li gup sangora yarina la khangmilo round pangaji tangku dwe nei da shilagen hangauge first round li each participant each team na question phanga ship sam bangra jili naga history question aka jang sara science aka jang sara history aka jang sara jigya aka jang sara gala tangku wi huisu aka jang sara jina 5 question first round ne second round li true or false, yes or no. The rather third roundly passing round. Question akangana mathe ga passara chine. Fourth roundly objective type na A B C mirror jinghangar. Kala lastly surprise round ranaura. Okay, first round maha program ga trials hada in a question akangana laga ga theba jili 5-point bonus round. Anyone? Okay. Which is the first Manipuri feature film in Manipur? Okay, first side. Matamgi Manipur. 5 points. Yes, 5 points. Aka ngahan la kauge. Kayang milo in the fair summit the sakvaisara aruiji pangkanina kangai ne. Which country has morning in one part and evening in another part? Yes.
Russia.
Correct. 5 point. Okay, Jibaji, just trial ne. Yang ajawa dance mangik jine. Straight away we'll go to set number 1. Talui. Set number should be question should bra. Laga question. Okay. Serial number should gain a jena 1 bajina question 1 something minus mark malimera nation ang kamilo. Serial number 1. 5 question. Who was the first outer MP of Lok Sabha of Manipur? Who was the first outer MP of Lok Sabha of Manipur? Negative marking malimini etem sapai. Ka akishimang etem sara. Okay, pass. The answer is Rishang Keishing. Second question. Who is the name of the What is the name of the operation launched by Indian Army after Oinam incident? What is the name of the operation launched by Indian Army after Oinam incident? Sorry, the answer is Operation Bluebird. Third question. What is the most important and major cash crop plantation which is cultivated in low hills and hillocks of Manipur?
Pineapple.
Correct, 10 points. Fourth question. Which state is declared as the largest population of India?
Uttar Pradesh.
Correct, 10 points. And the last question. What is the most sensitive organ in human body?
Tongue.
Sorry?
Tongue.
The answer is skin. Taluiwang pangpanglain kapimyo say they scored 20 altogether. Second, set number second, Sir Arukong. Question number 2, 5 question A. The war between Burma and Manipur from 1819 to 26 is in the history of Manipur is known as. I repeat, the war between Burma and Manipur from 1819 to 1826 in the history of Manipur is known as.
sure.
Wrong. Answer is 7 years devastation. Second question. When was ceasefire between the government of India and NSC and IM signed?
1997.
Okay, correct. 1st August 1997. 10 points. Third question. Who was the first CM among the Tangkhul tribe?
Young Maso Shaiza.
Young Maso Saiza. Correct. 10 points. Fourth question. In which year Shillong Accord was signed?
1975.
Correct. 10 points. The last question. How many bones are there in a human body?
206.
Correct. 10 points. One below. Set number 3. Tishar. Which game was introduced by Manipur to the European?
Polo.
Correct. 10 points. Who composed the Tangkhul anthem Ili Parasang Gahai Ngalaili? Who composed the Tangkhul anthem Ili Parasang Gahai Ngalaili?
Pass.
The answer is Rileng Nau Kuting. The third question. Who is the present Longvibo, Chief of Command in Naga Army? The answer is Antonin Khan Shimri. Fourth question. In which country green sun rises? In which country green sun rises?
Pass.
The answer is Norway. The last question. Name the species which can live on pot, water and land. Past. Amphibians. Okay. Serial number 4. The first and only lady MLA from Tangkhul tribe is, or was, sorry. The first and only lady MLA from Tangkhul tribe. Past. The answer is Mrs. Hangmila Shaiza. Second question. What is the other name of Manipur airport?
Tulihal Airport.
Sorry?
Sorry.
Bir Tikendrajit International Airport. Third question. When did Azet Fizo declared Nagalim as independent state?
1964.
Wrong. The answer is 14th August 1947. The fourth question. Who won the Grand Slam 2022?
Pass.
The answer is Rafael Nadal. The last question. What is the strongest force in nature? What is the strongest force in nature?
Wind.
Sorry, the answer is nuclear force. Okay, serial number 5. Question number 1. Which article in the Indian Constitution gives special provision for Manipur?
Pass.
Pass. The answer is Article 371C. Okay, second question. What does Naga flag signifies? The theme of the Naga flag is? Past. The answer is peace on earth. The third question, yes. Which club or who is the winner of Indian Super League 2022? Which club is the winner, was the winner of Indian Super League 2022?
Bengaluru FC.
Sorry, Hyderabad FC. Okay, fourth question. Who was the founder of Zingdun Tangkhul Katam Naolong? Who was the founder of Zingdun Tangkhul Katam Naolong? Past. The answer is Mazazang Raikan. Okay, last question. Who is the father of law of motion?
Newton.
Sir Isaac Newton. Yes. Are we complete? 5 points. Yes. Next, serial number 6. 6 Paline. Okay. Question number 1. Who is the first ever to become the Chief Justice from Tangkhul community?
Ungazani Shishak.
Correct, 10 points. Second question. In Naga terms, Ato Gilonser means. Yaru answer mami say. In Naga terms, Ato Gilonser means. Negative marking malay mane.
Commander-in-Chief.
Sorry, the answer is Prime Minister. The third question. Who is the present General Secretary of UNO?
Antonio. Gustavo. Antonio.
Antonio
Guterres.
Guterres. 5 points. Okay, complete say. The pink city of India is.
Jaipur.
Correct, 10 points. And the last question. What is the name of the galaxy which contains our solar system?
Milky Way.
Correct, 10 points. Next, number 7. Ti John Hong. Who is the current president of Tangkul Women Apex Body, Tangkul Shinao Long? Past, the answer is Ating Lunghro. Second question, in Naga terms, president is known as?
Kilok Lonser.
Sorry, the answer is Yaruyo. Okay, third question, how many NPF MLA are there in Manipur? Yes.
5.
Correct, 10 points. Fourth question, which country has 19 months in a year? Which country has, sorry, not 19, 13. 13 months in a year. Past, the answer is Ethiopia. The last question, what is the most abundant gas in Earth's atmosphere?
Nitrogen.
Correct, 10 points. Okay, last again, Somdal. Question number 8. Who is the current president of Tangkul Nagalong?
David A. Shimre.
David?
David A.
Ge Shimre. 그 다시 야루이자. 5. 야루이 그 분이 sorry. 5니. 아근 위가지. Okay. Second question. Which is the earliest known civilization in India? Which is the earliest known civilization in India?
Harappan civilization.
Harappan civilization. Correct. 10 points. Third question. Name the first political organization of the Naga. Name the first political organization of the Naga.
Naga Club.
So, yes, correct. The Naga Club. 10 points. Who is the highest paid footballer among the Tangkul? Who is the highest paid footballer among the Tangkul?
Hormibam Riva.
Correct. 10 points. Last question. What type of blood group is known as the universal recipient?
O positive.
Sorry, AB. Wrong. Last. Ringwi. What is the motto of Zingdun Tangkul Katam Nao Long? Past. The answer is Kido. Mathelak to Zingdun Obing. Glorify. Yes. Second question. When was NSC and IM formed? Not IM, NSC formed.
31st January 1980.
Correct. 31st January 1980. The third question. Who is the first Tangkul footballer to feature in Indian Super League? Who is the first Tangkul footballer to feature in Indian Super League?
Sojan Horam.
Janso Horam Gajainao ne our second name, not the first one. The first one is Ungayam Muirang from Hunpun. Okay, the fourth question. Which is the 29th state in India? 29th. Recently. Masang rangi.
Telangana.
Correct, 10 points. Okay, last question. Which bone is called beauty bone? Arugui. Which bone is called beauty bone? Past. The answer is clavicle bone. Okay, Bamilo. Issue we point actually nga nause. Chivaga na. After first round. Chili nanya ka nang mialo.
First round we points chi hang myo ge Dalui 20, Siraru Kong 40, Dishar 10, Dainem 0, Sekor 15, Pali 35, Dija Hong 20, Somdal 35, Ringwei 20.
First round we wang tong na bang phe miao se. Adam sang mai thui khwi gi ja ru ji likup sangai ra ro huna ko ti likup sangora ngalang da. Second round atang lai na hangai ri arriva yes or no. Atum le na question ngan ra laga true or false. Thaya ka 10 points ma thaya ka negative 5 points ra ra. Ya. Thaya ka nali 10 points yes or no mushung sa ka ngui sa ka va 5 minus ra ra. Ya. Okay. Ari question bava hiwagen ungora. Jene neshina 1 sara 2 sara 3 sara da ungora question ba ye. Ya. Okay, nishiling anawe. True or false? Yeah? He was passing around money. First president of India is Dr. Ambedkar Rao. True or false?
President.
First president of India is Dr. Ambedkar Rao.
False.
Correct? 10 points. Next. Cricket is the national game of India. I repeat, cricket is the national game of India.
Yes.
Wrong. The answer is false. Next. Okay. The sound has faster speed than light. True or false? The sound has faster speed than light.
False.
Wrong. The answer is true. 5 minus. Next. The Sepoy Mutiny is also called as the first war of Indian independence. Yes or no?
True.
Correct. 10 points. Nishi, tenyam la. No. No. Are we points? If I can go. Okay, just how long? Okay. The Indian Constitution is the lengthiest of all the written constitution of the world. True or false? Okay, true. Correct. 10 points. Next. The largest organ of the human body is skin.
True.
Correct. 10 points. Singda Dham is the highest mud dam in the world. True or false?
False.
True. The answer is true. Wrong? India has the most mobile phone users in the world.
False.
False. Correct? 10 points. The Indian Constitution is the oldest and the most written constitution in the world.
False.
Correct. 10 points. Okay, third round salako say. Third round. Third round bahi niswa nungora. Passing round ra. Thaya cover direct answer maker 10 points. Passing mathega pasara lagaja 5 points in rara thaya ka. Negative marking malaimra. Who was regarded as the father of mathematics? Who was regarded as the father of mathematics? ta try sa ba negative marking mo lang ne so last 2 seconds okay pass matay yes
Pythagoras.
wrong
Archimedes.
correct 5 points Tishar so number 2 from which country the preamble of India was borrowed from which country the preamble of India was borrowed
British.
wrong
UK.
wrong
Russia.
wrong past Chili hangno
USA.
correct 5 points Nisha kito Pali yeah okay so number 3 who discovered solar system who discovered solar system
Galileo.
wrong past past okay pass yes pass
Nicholas Copernicus.
correct 5 points the question is for number 4 yes who is the father of evolution
Charles Darwin.
correct 10 points so number 4 5 Mike Quillo who was the first Sikh prime minister of India who was the first Sikh prime minister of India
Dr. Manmohan Singh.
correct 10 points so number 6 name the highest paid women in music industry name the highest paid women in music industry
Taylor Swift.
correct 10 points next who is the highest paid female athlete in the world who is the highest paid female athlete in the world past 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 yes Mike
Naomi Osaka.
correct 5 points Talui next question Kibashida yes you're done who is the first uncle to be appointed as the manager of Indian League outfit Hiva itum gudong ga theider ga sai who is the first uncle to be appointed as team manager of Indian League outfit I league tang reuza dale arihon chui manager on the first ni tangkuli football way past
Emre Khan.
Give Khan.
wrong chap chai I league Indian Super League meaning la okay manager our coach ni manager is ni okay the answer is gong re kham tu itang Trowley manager sadlai okay last nishi yeah sodium chloride is commonly known as sodium chloride is commonly known as past
Triple salt.
common salt kajini yeah maji le gang ne 5 points okay points akashi yang aus ne set number 1 Talui 45 set number 2 Sirar Kong 60 these are 5 Tenem 20 Sekor 35 Pali 60 Ti Chanhong 10 Somdal 25 Ringwi 30 Cho yaru nakshi chola labang phe mila gaus ne kupsangi jere Okay, fourth round by he objective ne. Last second round ne objective I ngana passing round masamara at them akshimang sara option A B C the mirror thay cover direct 10 points ma thay cover direct minus 10 point. Yeah. Thay cover positive 10 point ne ngui sa cover 10 minus raw hi baiwa. Are any kind of exam competitive exam negative marking like poxer again ne. Chena thay cover 10 point ma thay cover ngui cover at them masa kan winning ne. Okay. Hiwa kan ngos. In which country tourists are not allowed to bring mobile phone? North Korea, B. Pakistan, 3. Burma.
North Korea.
Correct, North Korea. 10 points. Next, in which country black roses are found? A. Turkey, B. India, 3. Ukraine. In which country black roses are found? Turkey, India, Ukraine. Minus
Turkey.
Correct, 10 points. Next. The emblem of UNO is A. Apple, B. Olive branch, C. Lotus.
Olive branch.
Correct, 10 points. The 7 wonders of the world. Christ the Redeemer statue is found in A. Brazil, B. Italy, C. Spain.
Brazil.
Correct, 10 points. Next. Give me blood, I shall give you freedom, says A. Winston Churchill, B. Subhas Chandra Bose, C. George Washington.
Subhas Chandra Bose.
Subhas Chandra Bose, correct. Next, sixthly, which was the first Asian city to host Olympics? Beijing, Tokyo, New Delhi. Correct, Tokyo. Okay. Which country is called the paradise on earth? Thailand, Switzerland, Singapore. Which country is called the paradise on earth? Thailand, Switzerland, Singapore. Correct. Mike Lee Hang Solo. Who is known as the Iron Lady of Manipur? Mary Kom, Irom Janu Sharmila, Kunjarani Devi.
Sharmila. Irom Sharmila.
Correct. 10 points. The author of the famous book Mein Kampf is written by A. William Shakespeare, B. Adolf Hitler, C. Franklin D. Roosevelt. Okay. The author, author by of the famous book Mein Kampf, K-A-M-P-F, is written by A. William Shakespeare, B. Adolf Hitler, C. Franklin D. Roosevelt.
Adolf Hitler.
Correct, 10 points. Really question Red Bull okay, which planet in the Milky Way is the hottest? Venus. Sarlia ke miaus ne. Isi ringlan mangaila. Isi compare na miaura. Yes. Okay, which country has won the most World Cup? How many hearts does an octopus have? 3. Okay. Adam magla ti should final round in a question mati phanga or tharuk shining hanaura yari na chat samilo hili mangali bombing laga issue we go banner issue we anina khayang miolo bang khang kha gre ban answer mi gig jine hiva final round ne ishi adam lai tu da projector sing laga ishi jim sa thu gine chena in a question gan gup khlo da pang khang khang re bat chili atam mira laga chi thaya khawa nali 10 points mira nguya khawa na 5 minus shaira pang akshi khangai ra jigama pambai limra na answer mi phulungra okay laga question ma gupranga pang ma khang mi lo ready so se chi isi mangali ki bombing da la kala nani na la khayang mew lo in which year Kanti Irwin Pact was signed? Yes, pang khang dale
1931.
correct 10 points the Louis Arwila what is the amount of blood contains in the human body asne re
120.
wrong 5 minus the answer is 7%. Next, ready salo which country will host or which state or city country will host the Olympic 2024? Nishin hangmyeol jo ichila mthei tur aru ije ashiga ai ashe mazang ashiga thum mthei thu jila ashina reje yes
Paris.
correct 10 points somdal which country has no military force shipai makle which country has no military force okay
Vatican City.
wrong 5 minus the answer is Iceland okay ning shalagin yang mi say fair saline sak fine in which country 5 lakh rupees note are circulated ashiva note luba lakh phangale jine which country in which country 5 lakh rupees note are circulated okay the answer is yarimate Vietnam okay next in India oil was first struck in the year 1889 name the place okay
Boy.
Tick boy which state Assam correct 10 points Gupki jere just 2 or 3 questions what is the name of the railway station in Tamenglong district Pangkangere hang pulura laga matega minus sadang hangere
Rani Kaitilu.
correct Rani Kaitilu railway 10 points last question akang hanaura laga hina ka kum saura point chili zangaura thakla ge ngan ga mi log bai naw ne which is the nearest planet to the sun another Mercury correct ka tong wi wang yaru nak shi bang bolan ka phem yaw se yes result chi ari matarang ka yang la ka se ishi quiz wa khang ja ka them la jang 50% the luck li la depend sai Serenberg ka shop li la china ka tong hi deserve sai mathala in sa ga ne in hang miao ge taluina total 80 Sirar Kong 55 Tushar 15 Tainem 30 Saikor 45 Pali 80 Ti Chan Hong 20 Somdal 45 Ringwi 40 55 the second, yeah? Sirar Kong. Oh, first, can you lay ka ishi price for first akamang wing ran gaini. First, see the Luena, Chuivang Ari Boying like already again in the Luena Palina, first star gaini. Ka first Chishir Masabaimera. Yar we get hasito. Question akang hanaura, yeah? Question by Anili Oban Saura. yes or no rahi akamang han gi sauda laga krebana thayega an musunga na kaire jingui ga akapa manghan ga ban musunga ni ha chidawra here golden goal ni ha yes or no go ready salo phali talui graphite is the purest form of carbon yes or no ngalong na lorui je manghan ga salo
No.
wrong true ne huh okay huh another surface again ka adang in a hangai da final decision master na sau say jena first he pali na quere second he taluina daire laga third he sira rukong no 55 third na sira kong so ya ri gatong li ning shinai re gale participant gatong bang line ga pemilo thank you
ning slagare quiz master le rumpala khaya quiz rumpala ge na kupsangai re atam na leini chi jar in pha me khare kha atam na makhle achuda ala kathau ko longle kupsang vai sa da yari dong na quiz master wang da pang lai na khpe mi sei Arriva interesting sakamaya youth parliament interesting sakamaya student parliament youth parliament saure chena zangi ji unit spring na kathau ko longle stage le ram yolo Nothing the attitude sit Ngaranda color serial number Grangi Jine color topic being we Kyakana Chanically Grangi Jine Jine Zangiji units Kotongana Statesle Arikataukulung Nirazang Miolo Atam Namakle attitude Atam Namakle attitude Zangiji units Bingna Student Parliament Zangiji units Bingna Student Parliament Zangiji units Bingna Rama Manalo Home Mandre Laga Rama Manalo Units Kipakashi Namazangizla, go Kavako Nimasatu lay. Units Kipakashi Namazangizla, Kavako Masatu lay. Not to mind the pong with the Vowel Logic Sala. Not to mind the pong with the Vowel Logic Sala. Sindun Bashiva Pong the Mawala, Casino Wawala, Raye, Jena Rabo Miolo, he was a tissue and Rangijine, not to Ragzang Achura itum Serena Bangangi Jine, Zangiji units Kotongana, Katakulungli, States Ram Yolo, units Kotong Hawena, representative Avu, units Kotong Hawena, representative Avu Ne. Kate Songfuli at food lay a cover, States Rap Razang Miolo, Ari Atami, Zazes Bingley, Zazes Bingley, Atami Misley, Atumna. Katha the sana katha mai da zatwar klei ja athumi na nangum se laga athumni athumna singa meron program judges ping mi letam
Article 75 Chopili Kala conference Mayandak Layli Atungaya first Ya Damili literary events Singagida Klayli Remetui the judges Pingwi Matunza the Razanga unit Natum Saigo really ring of Hashalam Sadalaye Kalamatайлagina Ari we participants ping competition ili participants Sagida Clay and Natum Saigo really Remetui the all the best Kajiwishi Mingaidale Ara participants ping naning participants ping naning sanglagay ng namilo not only necessary guidelines you are read the mishok hay the shit sangay ka judges ping na judging criteria ng sada not umwi kamatwili kala competition hili kimamaili yangra kala kathama may da sarak le gajibaji akashida not only remind samili shit ngaye kare sada not only program with our tissue the topic pangasang mida kaleji arena tumna lot kwira lot kukui hi pick and speak not tumna gabang kuya topic ji jiwilongli na tumadwira ji kamadwi ji criteria kanai jiwilongli na tumna points kya ka presence ha shop kala na tumna kya ka matha da madwi shop kaji ji yangra ji na tumli 3 minutes mira 3 minutes kamiji issue with timekeeper li thing sak nga ye 2 minutes with li warning bell mi how low chi na warning bell mi clear laga na chumi bangli 1 minute mang late le ga ji khajing ara da ji na chum paning umi lo ka kane sa da na chumli thing sak ngai just pingwina church pingna na chumwi statement na chumna mi gi ga ji topic matui ga highway chili na chumli question khani thro sara mi avavuli participants avavuli question khanini trosara na chumna kya khamtha da ngahanga kala na chumna kya kha matha valid point ji kya khamtha da mikle kjiwe ati shoda na chumli chili points rara cheina tada in a nutshell na chumwi judging criteria khnimang li da klei number 1 li na chumwi overall presentation pick and speak to topically na chumli jili points akalera china second points pa ina na chumli question throw ga sa damli na chumna ngahan ga gaji kya ka matha da gala valid answer kya ka valid sa laga mid klei ga ji baji jili yangi ga jine I na iwi sit ma khuirang laga na chumna clarify sa ngai lekha khang han milo participants pingwina. Yeah, exactly. Arena tumli twim kamaji ba ye make atam now long we conference ne khatha side leitum tangkhul now sa ga da arena tumli liberty yang language pajina tumli english ne singage matui gejla tangkhul na matui gejla kachipan tumli convenience ha mekla jibaji na matui nga saknga ye khewang jaga ari matui gi ga ji hi participants pingwe wang mang ter gar ga samaning la razang ga hai jingtun li leidak le rijum na itum sai ko ru na machuk nga room khanga yi pro we topic sere chitau ga da na tum na kachipan comfortable samai na tumli kajina convenience samai chibaji na matuilo. Any more question queries? Any more clarifications and queries? Okay, jo clear sai judging criteria ji na jo participants na tum kadong le kala khamai ngasar no thank you.
Time ready sire 2 minutes le warning. Serial number 1. Na first kapong kumyalo serial number 1 na. Ari ji topic ji mami flow share number 1 the first quick is ne.
Hello, good evening, the people of Jingdun Gitanalong. My name is Okwim Zimik, and I'm presenting here on behalf of Sikro Village. Respected judges and all members present here, the topic that I've picked now is afforestation. Afforestation is the process of creating a new forest. Afforestation leads to the tingrong gater in the place where it is barren. Tingrong mak lapam jli ling sang jine. So afforestation it my bom liver tingrong ngong liao get the jack gam sam ne katal in every part of the earth. Mostly in India and Africa. For example, itum tinong ling sang kai translate itum the chui kang na sam bang bang me kala ling sang we sak zi lag diao khala le bu me jene itum the remikap the tinong ling sang we kang na nang say remikap the number 1 points li itum the forest itum the expand sa translate tinong ling sang translate it creates a new ecosystem the hemsang ai kala jili akirno Sayur Vayur no Shirisha psychologically guitar Atumabung Sada Rao Nicola internal Tinong second point Sada it gives us forest products. It only Hongwena Atayur no Hanjayur no itumna medicinal plants no itum Daga Sajitumli someone say Galakatuman Sada forest Tingrong here Lingsang Translate itumi the qualities of air he Talina improve Sami increase Sami Jena itumi Ogtili carbon dioxide we should chung the leji reduce sami kala kapnga sara forest ling sangai transli itum mikumo mani mangjon ne ka itumi ecosystem li sayur vayur no itum mikumo no kangde shri shra virus sagori interaction li itumi ecological balance build up sami forest na jiwai itum tingrong ling sang pungra kala forest ling sangai transli chui effects kitian now kleba of killer jige to me building construction kata farming kata expand sa thali deu ga sa sa which bajin chin jang me ka sa ne kata le to me wang mostly are polluted it me are people sa gain to second team sim third re room third re his cycle
warning
forest makle wang kan jin forest create han le to me it me ngong ngle harlal chungsang me ra kiwang le jiga soil erosion le forest prevent sami kala forest itum ketum nalong kezip ak sai ari ta bom tali itum ak itum on rut ak nei da itum sai gon the forest ling sang fa sa se kala healing sang in so da itum chingtung le he develop saran you could develop sarai if could develop sagaran ji manipur develop sarai manipur develop sagaran le india develop sai ga ok dong develop sai chen itum sai gon da on ngai quiz on ngai di quiz ni shlage
Hello. Itum Zingdun Ram Hili afforestation he possible saraka masarakla kala sarai jika key institution na mathamai tuida effective samai tuida sam rawli no ikapningli.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am for your question. Itumi apam Zingdun liver apam gujungja he forest cover sai khatha sal mai itumi apam ni darga sa finam samrle itumi apam ni gong chung sang salala itum afforestation ni darga sai ka hi itum main sa da on ngol khugi ji itum katam nalong na khui pai katam nalong khui gi khwang kale jiga khurna bilim jan pai ne kala ina hopogram jila ka dong na community participation le ga itum sai kor na kichijawi odngrut nei kichijawi odngrut thi itum kichijawi kang na khwai wang nei da ka dong na odngrut khui la ga dong na responsible khui la ga itum ing hong ye exam phung re shlage
Krishna Khalefi Ari Taka afforestation we measures quicker that li challenges Malay Sarado Leka Kibamaira.
Okay, thank you so much. Challenges were atam jida le sare main sara ngong li itum develop sara jaga tingrong hi limpam jibaim nei apam ma t-shirt ka sik sala le sere jiwai na chwat shirt ngong jili kji ka tingrong na adap sakhir le jibaji tingrong bajin na ring bai apam jili chala ga na ring sang phungre kala limpam jibai la har gzang bam jaw ka tingrong jin na link totally thalage na adap sakhir le ring shok shop apam jili ring sang phungre Sure.
Setter number 2.
Like yang ya iring we na ne iwi topic na sexual abuse ne sexual abuse se tangkhol ti na hang se jika kamthang kamrang ni hoye idum na sexual abuse se mir now shnau national madaila sexual abuse sabaye sexual abuse se idum nyang se jika khangzanali bangkhmeya na abuse ka sa chili la hang paye sexual abuse ka sa hina Mia khali mental kala physical torture sa khaila leye ithumi victim hili national bing ni jam sa da cute sa nai da mia khana kham tranli national bajin na raga na thumna rasang man je na free sam man me da now the national bajila Kerana bajila ali la attract sa kai emotional attach sa kai jina atumni abuse sa kai lebo me jena itumi sexual abuse sexual grooming dala ngawai sexual groom sa kai hi zengkum akha khani or tell me that months la le bai jena sexual abuse me akha le sexual abuse sa kai hi itumna ngnami kam kijipan na sabai stranger na sexual abuse sa mi khai le bai le gap de le kala itum mi aka na example aka sa da isum kan tang ko context le shock khai hi jam sa da party khwatran mi ba jili mathem da jam tha le da therik tha le jam sang mi ai laga thum shinau khangjan na ba jili ji mang khai na kyan mata le thu da thum le abuse sa khai willing sa la ning pati khai na abuse mi khai la le ga pe jili lang mi da breaker ni ani
Warning.
mamyang log la mera ba china wi physical pasawing phamang na abuse mi khai shino ba wi ma phning la sa mi khai le bo me la ga are shino ba hina sexually transmitted disease ka hi prevent sa khwai condom sangra jila or kika prevent sara da birth control ka sara da sa jili la mi na bing na mamya la abuse sa khai la lebo ba me chena idom na sexual abuse sai re jai kha na I hi ngalang da I emotion na decision khu hai sai kha na ili abuse sa khai tran li ina itum na shitsang ba yang son now shum khor wi mi ping maning kha da kernal bing church wi gathana bing li concern sa laga mga shong da da mui khwa mirin li mathami da ok thiwa sigler ji jim juk laga decision khing sangai thank you
Matalagin hangai re question hang hangai ye origin na sexual grooming ta ka hang dale ye sexual grooming ji itumna ka tha da sapai le how can it be carried out ka ji ba ji hangang sangai ye ji na ngaso da okay ji ba ji hangam ye fulo jo
question is actually hang fulo
atang na we statement khamya tam li sexual grooming ta hang dala jena sexual grooming la sapai ye jai ka ba ji ara ka tha da sapai ra kiwi abongai na sapai ra ka ji ba ji ka detail samai da hang sangai
jamsa da sexual grooming ya tam process ji kha sang da zang ngau da national bajli wam ka khwe na itumna national bajir sang man ji na mi na baji mi baji na abuse ga sa jik ta da prevent sar kre ji ka ba jamsa da national ko jinga khali sang e tuition private tuider li sang e jai ka ba itumna acha baji na abuse sa le ji ji ma thai thu da private kita surprise visit la salaga ta da tam stake lejila sabaye laga itumna social media tada education ka win la prevent sabaye tada video clip in tam stake laga national bing hi ta sai ga sexual grooming ne hi ta da sai ga video clip je we tissue da atumna phapta khangsak ji phapta ga bai ji tam stake mi bai
question na khang hanau ke ithumi society li sexual abuse si leilak tale kha chung khamai na mathai matale hi kada da sa ka problem hi solve sa paira no ye opinion ka ang mi
itum na socially aware sa laga hida da sexual abuse hi violence gasa or violence masala hada willing sa consent male la sexual abuse kasang sai da sexual abuse hi itum na national being criminal being matela athumle willing masa to the magasa sexual hi abuse ne gi education gathali school gatha kala thada government or institution katha na aware sami da awareness katha campaign katha sami chita da sami paire
thank you
thank you
Hello. Good evening, everyone. Good evening to respected judges. Laga zingtu nau tong khara zangai tong li. Good evening hangai e. Ina chungyam tu gi topic ki entrepreneurship. An entrepreneur. Topic li entrepreneurship ma chimne. Entrepreneur ji ya. Let me clarify. Entrepreneur ki bak le. We all confuse ourselves when we say who is an entrepreneur. We itumna entrepreneur hi businessman in the compare size la. Entrepreneurship and a business we think that it's the same thing but ngatai hangai ne ni hi. Entrepreneur hi bak le jiga ava ala business sare but he wrecks the market laga mi bingli. He brings new innovations mi bingli mirin ning phak ngasak laga market chi sakhai laga ana tungli pam laga income mathrain earn sal entrepreneur hoy whereas businessman the market chili chat laga income join na cha laga our livelihood ki shem mi businessman hoy. But don't get me wrong, an entrepreneurship when it becomes very successful in the long run our business establish how khui laga mili livelihood pai ming sakai laga after that he becomes a businessman, a very successful businessman in the long run yang laga china a new difference ne businessman and entrepreneur he they're not the same. We should know that. A very good example of an entrepreneur, Dipinder Goyal, founder and CEO of Zomato. Chuwangai ni nali entrepreneur hok lei jega mi chung lei ga phau phau kha ali entrepreneur goi Zomato. India li Zomato in the first food delivery service nei jilla. Itum na shim moi na sok laga athai walo ji srugli room alungli pam laga no we ka je na order sa laga phayop no we sorry khamongli deliver sa mi ga sab ju service khale Zomato food delivery service. He has made lives, millions of lives easier. At the same time, mi bingli mirening phalai ring khangsak ali entrepreneur hoi jilla. Even that example like me say introverts bing khyak nagai bingli ka thamra athumwang la chanai jilla. It's just an example. And next example is Uber founder Garrett Camp. Chuwang le jiga laga India li khra context in khamti ne talai na wak phai pam le ka thara Uber khuid la ithum laga yarly taxi a man spend sai mudli women being wang la safety me at the same time laga entrepreneurship hi itumi tangkhul areas li la Hillwell company Hillwell established sa jinorange and sa ji B2B market, business to business market. Itum na alu ta yor tomato ta yor sadala itum yor pairam ne kha ana business we na full lo khui laga nextly supply vasa India li la and then all over the world. Sa laga B2B market, business to business alatong laga miumirin pai khangsak ji ahi entrepreneur hobai jilla yang. I'm also trying to be an entrepreneur. Let me give a perfect example. Business now sa laga iwi Chinese cabbage purely. I've sold like 300 kilos of Chinese cabbage. Laga in a curry 90 rupees in your. So I've made like estimate of 30,000 in 2 years. So I want to encourage all of us. Laga kata da khira ragle jaga itumui school curriculum ga chai laga mark system itum the mark obsess sa gai.
Time's up.
Chilim sang sak lo itum entrepreneurship encourage sa sida hangai. Thank you.
entrepreneur sa gai ji kha matai mai thui ki ji qualities or skill ji king sarakla
To be an entrepreneur, matai mai thui ki skill hi mi gitong kana feel sa le, but in my own opinion hang si jiga determination na no we own kita thang confidence laga sa sabre da na sare da sa we confidence si khle ji chilo entrepreneur khwang hang le jiga hang ba phag jim ning la na step ji risk mo khwira kha na business time sare me loss ira re na ma phading ra kha na entrepreneur sare lak me jila because you'll face it. So I feel like, in my opinion, I think it's going to be confidence. Thank you.
Okay. Na nari jam na entrepreneur ne da hangai re Chinese cabbage your order le da hangai. Na sara kai hili no weakness. Na weakness hang milo. Kala no strength hang milo.
Question, and it's like very hard for me because it's a very personal question, but I'll try to answer it in the best way. Yeah? Weakness, Eva, I am very short-sighted. I try to be very far-sighted, but then I'm very short-sighted. Hasty salagay na I take decisions at the moment. I do not think, I do not have a second thought, so I've made a lot of mistakes, and I've learned from it, so I know that this is my weakness. Strong point hang sa I have a very good quality in approaching people. Human connection kasi I've made like a lot of friends inside Imphal because I live in Imphal, to make a lot of business partners, I should say, and then I have like a lot of customers because of my human connection skill. Jihang, that's my good point. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Good evening, everyone. Respected judges, Razanghai Dongli. In a topic na schools in Jingdun. Jingdun li school track le. Government school, private school, primary. Government will primary school, upper primary, lower primary. Track le private will mission school le. Itum Jingdun will school later le. In a you take for hang logic. Government school, kili private school na tada mutamai kai de tada te. He kwang le jiga yang sang miran bing kala oja jili tadak le oja tadak le bing jina. Atumna atumui posting bom jilimbam la substitute teacher hai laga bam dakle takle school ishi Jingdun hili school leidak le school education ngchan khlo da Jingdun ngchan khai nei ji mam lang sangai nei chen main sa da ishi arui Jingdun thada Jingdun dang ho tam na long itumui itum the initiative salga initiative kuilaga Jingdun hi Jingdun wi tam gshi ngai vaila sangsangai kala government school jiga thada khtra thada ina wa gai khtra the jili atumui building style thada ngate hangai na atumle right to act right to education act thada mi gai ji follow lama sala thada madam jithela thada pam hail tra thele.
Warning. Na si Jingdun kadam gshi school na dong ha pok sai da itumwe Resang say Resang vai Jingdun Resang vai hot na say jiga school he main sa the upgrade sa vai sa say ji hangai Nelson Mandela na hangai the collapse of education
of the education is the collapse of the nation. Chỉ hàng hay là chỉ phần nhìn quy sơ. Thank you.
Originally, nana schools being we, Zingtunli lay the clay schools being we, problems point outside re, Jane problems lay the clay here. Get had the solve Sarah clay. No way, Gapaningly, kina best solution G killer clay.
Nish laga question ji school thada school dong li SMTC li ngavasari main sada iwa ilhang logic wa ishi kadam na long le de le bi hina initiative kwila sang sang.
Okay. Are we question addition tada supplementary ko in addition to the question are nana Sington Dunkle katam na long jaga ima we western liver are zatical hin apex spotine Jane ara atumna initiate sang sakngai jine takana na particular salakaina atumna hiwi apongli education system we apongli rek sang khira pai khawai we ling matai la gaina apong chung gaina lera ka first and foremost thing baji kachi basa ka phamira da khui kala khui bangaina question je in a shortcut in hange Zington Tangle katam na long passion initiate salaka itumi education system he improve sakapai later clinic chichinan hangai re ara iwe question banava apong hi kachung gain improve sakwai later clinic akmang ni maning manai kanali hanglo je ka first and foremost thing hi kachipara kalakhi wangaina
Iwan Niger question ji iwi thada iwi opinion na hang logic wa iwa main hi building na bong sangai laga ocha substitute teacher bi mai vai ji hang
okay ni share
Good evening, Zington. I'm Yom Yashimre from Good evening, Zington. I'm Yom Yashimre representing Manga Village. Iwi topic na sexual abuse. Tonight, I'll use this opportunity to talk about the reality of sexual abuse. Sexual abuse is a sexual behavior or sexual act of women. Sexual act upon a woman, of men, of children without their consent. Talking about sexual abuse is one of the most uncomfortable and socially awkward topic of conversation. Sexual abuse is a sad, awkward, and devastating fact that impacts on the lives of women, of men, of girls, and of boys, and no matter how much we wish it doesn't exist, sexual abuse happens every time. Rape is one of the most incredibly personal crime, and thus it is difficult to prove. Most rape doesn't happen in dark alley in a bad part of town. No, most rape happens behind closed doors between friends, families, co-workers, and boyfriends and girlfriends.
Warning.
Which makes them difficult to prove in a court of law. Talking about sexual abuse is incredibly uncomfortable, but that's precisely why we must do just that. So, if you are a victim of sexual abuse, you must tell your story proudly, and if you are not, you must tell the ways to help those who are. Because I firmly believe that our vulnerability is our voice, that our stories.
Time's up.
Thank you.
Okay, question na kang hanaw ko nalin. Itum we society Christian society ni. Church na sexual abuse li hi role kuilaga. Sami paira, John mi paira.
Question Jivangishle. Sexual abuse. Itum Christian akasada sexual abuse we abongli. Itum nganui de leila kawinan itum Sunday school gagaji taran. Mtamai da tamjithela ka sexual abuse. We've kamatang kamarang oti verena masang sa kangai onig tam talak inta tam shtela ka itum na tam shtei bai.
Okay, second question. Ima society li la ari sexual abuse victims si kachungale sara. Kalana nari hangai thada victims being he kasai kamo ba mai ki ka broadly we have to stand up kachilana na kahangji thaga right na stand up kasai itum individually na thada itum kalatana platform opportunity phakui ko bai maning mane what kind of platform or opportunity yang victims being li kachikata platform kachikata opportunity provides halaka itum hiwi hi kashapaina tanda itum society wina shimit khawai sa bai rakhla.
Question Jivang Nishidle. Example agasada ngandwi itum national being ngandwi lega itum na national being shimli han kungstaran cousins being sobi khangsak or mninga the first links khangsak ji the itum the kikam ning ne the thada tangawe jina jikha ji ava being na thalak ena yang sang milaga mninga kharnau being tamshthe laga itum na Tamida ring shop kawai jikta juina sexual abuse how go pok ne ji if nagasai kama bamaila tamshtei bai tamshteng sangai.
Okay, then share.
Thank you.
Kia shi khangia machun mukui yang me bing kala hili razang gai na tum sai kor iwi ring pha shalam mi dale in a serial number 6 ne kala iwi topic na schools in Singtun gajine itum Singtun li vri vrau ilu khamachan mangai ne itum li vreshi ka sala re makeup samphang sa gau gada vreshi na education khui khrang sa gada itum Singtun hi atam ka sang khawi wang schools we are pongli education we are pongli mangawala kaina leisai schools kamatha ko chungka leida ayar nga leina khu ka teina ko chungka ratam mai chan samsa da sirar kongli tu shanau ringwi nau tal nau kala Singtun wi mimang maning la ayar wena ko chungka ratam the education samphang da athum kathan them thang kamai ko chungka shokli arwi hon wi IAS officers being ko chungka Sirar Kong wena tam kui sampange. The Sirar Kong mani Singtun hi schools li jida da mangawala kain lay sai ke example akane. ka arui context ni yang se ja ka jingtun hi schools wa phongli itum chung khaina shutai re hi chance ma khaina hang se ja ka itum azui program itum 6:30 li langchin sai sai ka tishat lang khaina haphoke itum marazang to da kala hili delegates ping itum jingtun naw ser ni kala high school itum wi background chung khamai na ramai na hapok ser kala chili basic disciplines tam ge thine thai kha itum discipline malai thure ge ji achu itum li hangji there thai kha chi jingtun schools ping wi suikata apong akhare ge ji la hangai kala athang hangai da jingtun li government school private school ka chung khalai makhlai mani mani schools makhlai mani mani ka lei sai jila private schools being na ling mai da zatyo wai kala government schools being na nem mai da zatyo wai kala itum ram wi mi bingwa kacham ming saw ga da private we of afford masa khar chung khalai ka government le waw se ge na school matha da makaka ocha ma pai ma da matha da makaka school infrastructure building matha da makhalai wi wangai na matha da makaka hi ka chung khalai hili itum jingdun ka tam naw long da role ga ka khui bai jikatha kla je ka units ping wi katha na bingli meeting pam room laga jingdun ka tam naw bing wi units ping wi president bingli hang laga athumli yangsang laga principals ping wi government school wi principals ping wi primary ru no high school ru no bingli thala ga relation lei laga athumna chita the relation ji shamka khui laga village we through in the ru no athumda step ji chita the khika bai village assembly li president in our office we letterhead chichin laga mathamai da zadwa khawai village li ana endorse sabai o chimni aka directly principal no athumli la endorse sabai ningshla gai
thalagin hang mi ai re question ka sanga ye ari chi na ka hang chi private schools in the government schools we khang de ka chung khle ye the ari ak mention sat le ye chi na chi na ka tha ta the khwi khwi wangai na kala khi sa pai de le ka chi ba chi ka hang ming sak ngai ye
ningshla gai re jingtun we ram khawaji thran itum government school nei jai ka building khamong matha da ka mane windows being matha da jang mane toilets matha da lei mane whereas private schools being mathala gai na building infrastructure lei de lei ocha bai de lei ge ji itum da wazang khleo school we infrastructure di ang khleo da thayau we kala next in ka tha da chat par khwai ji sala next question ba
ani which differences jared nan hangai re jena ra thaka hand in hand matha khawai we wang matha sang khawai we wang khisa bai really
in aru actually mention za hai da jingtun katam naulong apex party hina units being with president li ho khwi laga hili yang sang khawai atum meeting contemplate thala gaina sang yi stepping jigada da khwika ragla ga ji units being with president li pam room laga hiwiwang serious discussion khwika laga step si matha khmai je units president bing chang se laga pha khmai step si atum ngajek laga formulate cha khwi laga step ji da khwiwang sangai
okay second question na hi unit akhawi president nga sa sani jiwa okay nalina before the question nana ki khuina do
in sir khong ni
okay nana siraru khongwi unit president nga sa sani jiwa kala jingdun tangkol ka tamna long na chumli hi we meeting nga hot laka agenda we wang na chumli opinion hanglo jini jiwa na we first agenda jin na khimingai
your first agenda ji president akasa da schools ocha ma pai le le de klei bingili katam naulong with through ina pressure milaga principal lila or village authority lila pressure milaga katam na we train a pressure milaga ocha hi ping sak phungra ga ji pressure pang la ga na sara
okay ni share
how siwi mthun sa da ma shun mkhui yang mi da klei kya shikni cha jasping rakzip khaya house we members bing in a arirak ning hi housely entrepreneur ji hi present sa khwai khrane entrepreneur ji ina tu hi French word ina derive kasane meaning na to undertake jinyang Oxford dictionary li khyang ji tran entrepreneur ji hi kibali hokla ji kha mi akhana business akha ninka business traka set up salga financial risk dong ana khuilaga hada profit samphang la pai gjiu gji hanina thada business set up sabing li entrepreneur da hoyang ina Cambridge University li Cambridge University Cambridge we dictionary li khyang ji tran thada mya khana opportunities thai tran business setup sa mi li entrepreneur hoi da zangdale jina entrepreneur hi khigla ji tran definition jina hang mi sere yang jina ara ithumna focus sagi jiba entrepreneur aka sara ji khaba na hi khi tagarsa ji tran right mindset yang na hi sangai ji hortak rin sigina le phungi ji ideas kathar sok ji tran o hi phal pai ja jam sa da jack ma jaw syang internet actually internet mli rang ka jack ma hi internet hi thare da hamchang hamdal ga mi tra khan reject sami hedla ali jack ma na sakchang da sal reject sami yawe ka our ideas
warning
our ideas ji chatna bai adam khra ji tran billionaires on la bom de liang jina entrepreneur aka saraj girl you have to have the right mindset jina restruct le re ka profit ji hada restruct horsang la profit chunga ji no ni ji entrepreneur aka wi main points nyang jina entrepreneur aka wi ring phan khikla ji khaba you are tada no we post nyang na o changai ka sabai o chi ran sara ji la sabai hita da sara ji la sabai yang no entrepreneur aka sa khai ji tran mi ajing li ot sala kha na khlat to wang ot ksani thank you
hita dang han ngai na arui ji le hang khai ji entrepreneur sa kha na khlat to wi wang sa ni ta hang ai re ya kha ithumui society hili entrepreneur aka sa da society liver contribution ki khala ma le pai marla le pai ji kha hak mai thi ji contribution ji ki sarali as an entrepreneur ya
question jiwang ning share entrepreneur aka sa da matai mai thui hada contribute sak bai ji motivation here aka saryang no we ithumwi hada entrepreneur aka we ideas pingji kya ka pray sa da an ideas sim juk sokla kala an kya ka pray sa da hada ka chok jam kya ka phung la ka an succeed sak wi kla ji we motivation jina hak mai thui jing sal bai
Okay, another question for you. Itungwi tangkul jauh sih tadi. Entrepreneur sakai kejitaran difficulties, yang face hak mai tu itu sadak leci kinang sara. Kalau kita ada saka solve sapai ra kejisi kang.
Question jawang ni share. Ili hanglo jikhaba question hi atam ka sangkhre otpam masam ka phang atam li han cha la khai na relate sai da khui ba ina entrepreneur aka sara ga atam ji than na khiwang ina jiwi entrepreneur sa gi jiwi mindset ji mujang thukla ga adam shan itum school li graduation tam no masters ko no phd ko no na otji thada institution li wa zangal ka tolop jal ga ba mai ka jo ma thei thuriang ka na ka da self sufficient sal ka thada na ka da na khla da employee sar khla ga ba ji itum li education system li mutam sei du jil I think hada jina pain hardship agang sayang jina kada das itum hi kada overcome sabai rek lag jadam stran ariru ina take khili ang ka ba ojaram ningwi bana winobzali kigla skills development wang sendera shoda thayang I think that is the answer. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello. Good evening, Jingdun. My name is Jingmi. I on behalf of the Samdang Nolong. We can go quick topic in social media. Social media jadi itu mi ningli kira jangla jika WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, anything, etc. Kira jangai. Social media we kelewi ketong, kelewi kan kena. Social media kle hena itum ari shok ta kle sa ta kle ye apam ko tabuli kle no ngana ta kle no itum ari la fa jing de le ye jimang mo jila ajandang corona we na atam ka sang ka lockdown side or business no any institution no ma sa ba jida mi gu jung ba ka sha ka zam sam bang la kala business sa ba jida kujunga ba mirin shishu khaili kha social media wa mhut aina itum na online na watsang rog laga mikai ka baje na mirin la sabab sa khuye jimang mujila social media we sa ku jula leba ba me kada kla jiga r1 itum ku tong na phone sing sare kala matai la kaina phone hi singra ma thela nationally missing khai awa na nauli missing ai laga kada da sali jim thada mi yang sang la naw na phone ji singai ka awi awa we ot manga ko mi da pom thi hai la ka naw ngra na sab pha la ka naw da ra khai atam tharan awa we ka mang na mi ra ka la family we relationship la tang sa ke chika phone mang li spensa thwe da family hi sobum la ka khran sang room ka la family we ka khalat meaning la malai meaning kala jile shmang sa gawe jiga kiwangla jiga most of the time they spend on the phone.
Warning.
Kala social media hi itum school curriculum sada akale ngai jiga ba kata nabina otali tam jitai kala hi tum social media hi kata singka phamera kata ran singra ju ji oja bingna kala awa binglila tam ji theng sanga ye nawngra li kata social media hi kya tam sing sagra ta da sing sagra ji ni she
Okay, now we question social media we platform hi ka chung khle le yang jaina now we take a khili katam ga shu wang education we wang kala katam ga shili re sang khwai we wang kiji tha social media platform na matha mai thui kla kala khwi wang kla
ashida ko shin ham
itum social media hi platform ga chung khle jidala yang jina social media we platform he na itum tam shu khwi khwai matai la na itum education we wang kiji tha platform na no we ga fningli matha mai thui da le kle jine kala khwi wang ina jiwi platform jina matha mai thui how no we ga phaningli
sorry
thaka question na kang han li shike na we gupningli thaka social media we khamathala na hangai re zakishila hangai re ari hon thot hili ishui society hili zakashi bajina handmade lega chimani nga khava jiwi katong bajina matai made lekla
iwi te ko khena hang no chikaba ari tang ko context we ni yang se chikaba social media hi khle ne tumli zakashi jumai da shok no themi le chikaba itum hi social media we na khon ka chala tra shuk bu mai ta hang ram mate mutiram mate la mati pa mili kala social media li mikai ko ami chak sing sak post up pa aga tu nya pa la ka ramui mang maning la tang khui mai la ta ma shi kang sak la tra sam pang ai na ga phone hi hang lak se chi ga tang hui khai mate national chrono ma khai la ka ton si set le yi sing la ga
Thank you.
Kaya shi ye iwi juja spin kala razang hai yori saigor iwi topic la social media ga ne ina ishi jingdun wi context ina mudugi social media gi hi application kala website ne hi yari gitong na communicate sakwai kala idum interaction ling rock vai link lei laga ngrum sak lei vai ksem niang kala aza idum ishi jingdun kala tangphunau na social media ga tha da sijin de lei khlei ji ga gapha bong ni jung ga sijin de lei social media hi we troi na idum na aza jingdun kidam no long na higda jubilee kala sports hi hosak shap hida da ka shungla gen hosak shap ni de khui jikawa units kdong we presidently through social media in a phong rok de lei kala idum na pau phau ge jilala social media troi na any paper or any document idum na social media troi na sensang rok de lei yang paila ge na idum na adam gujung ga spend sala hun ga minada khui lungli or sekena khui lungli sensang rok de lei jena social media hi phala ge ka idum tang phunau kala mrei sangrang ge ji abam bingli sak zug jung khle hina kada sa zug le ji ga idum we freedom of speech the Indian constitution li le gala idum le fundamental rights li jang yang jena freedom of speech ni da idum the social media li kathai ma gwila posta pa yi pa ji na idum we society li jung ga effect sat le idum na example khui pai ajon thangjang election li idum social media si jin la ga khongwi baw jung gang yaw la ga mi jung li pung bang sa ga yang jena kala ka ji da ma thai dang mai la ga ja khan la awi ga phning ana tada knowledge malayla mina ga shaji ga deu ga jingana khui la ga tada posa pa la ga mili bung bang sa khai jigitha ga jung khale jena kala social media hi na are edumui unwanted videos kada sensang rok la ga hida da adang sexual abuse topic khui ga ye chi partly tada social media train la chile effect sa le yang chena edumui social media shi jin hi abonga li phala ga ka edum jingdun naw gala dang hu naw abonga khwak wa yon la ga na shi jin de le da hangai nixla ga
Okay, Nisha Ray, Matalai Namate Meira. First question. Social media we kamata kala makamatala le gaji nana hangai re. Mata make up gaji. Now we vang social media hina itumi vang mata make up itumi mirinli mata make up the effects ang sakta clay. Kala sakshimai to ide effects ang sakta clay. Sakshimai to ide effects ang sakta clay ka hangatam jeli chika thata itumna sashmit paira or improvement ka thata kuira paira kachila hangin sangai.
Okay, thank you for the question. Idum na social media hi pamai tui giji ilihang lo jiga guchung khale. Ka matai la na idum li hi phashok da khale bing hi tada ngchan la gai mi na phashok lamning thangbai la gai mi na phashok sai da atum na ka ga idum min li pai mai tui da ring rak la giji li ma chuk la ga jiwi wangai na phashok nei je na as a social media we kan khana idum na thei ser da le arui le na hangai re idum na adam ki ga mazang la lan ki ga mading la or gari thau mading la idum na pau ngi yaw gi ji kitong social media li ngiaw la ga information kitong social media through na idum na thei sam bang de le china ka na mai thi da hang re ba kala hiwi chak chi mai thi gi ji a khana ba hila gu chung khale ka matai la ga na idum khani thot bing kala tada well educated magsa social media ka ta da sijin rikla da mag thai bing wang ba ke chung ka sa je hina idumui mirin tada sei si jaung sa kai hili tada social media li rumors ke da li shi changai laga chili pura tada khamshung ba jem pha khira la khangwi ba jili cha thui kai kala jiwi na abuse sai laga idumui khamshung song fu pha tu gi jibali khangwi ba li cha thui kai hina chak chi mai thui ja khane chena idum da social media hi kada da phawi abong le sijin rak le ji ka wa idum li knowledge ling sak phung ra kala idum khni thot ping li kala kadam naw shinau bing li atum da idum phone or cell phone ma sing rang laga or social media li ma jang rang laga hi da sijin ko kala hi ka nai kala hi chakshi da chi chakshi ka phaji idum kigle awareness mathala kai na lei khangsak ji thran social media hi ga pha abong li sijin re da sitsange ni shla ga re.
Okay, second question. Arichi nana itumli yari bingli or mi bingli hidata shichin gi kichine hidata shichin ka pha ye kichi tamira kichine kara ji kiwe platform sing laga kala kiwe apong ne itumna ji tammi paira effective samai to kichi measures ka hamilo.
Idumui kya bong li sijin paira ji tamire ji idumui effective samai to ji platform hi ilyang logical school hi matai mai thui ja khane kala idum na social media wi maramli awareness cam mai nang dala rung laga ichi chat tigel na la awareness program la rung mi laga or any units president li kigle chat tigel wi executive or president jang da athum na kigle collaboration leng rok laga khuli wa laga hi awareness la mi bai china matha mai thui je platform wa khang sare.
Okay, ni share.
Likhang sin iwi topic na sexual abuse kjihne. Sexual abuse refers to the abusive sexual behavior by one person upon another, usually by using force or by taking advantage of their incapacity to give consent. Itum society la labor pa mai khat thala la itum na ignore sasyon ek jiba significant masam nei maning kha victim ba chui careless ka sawang na khran nei da itum na khui hom nei khati tha sai la hi ka experience si wangalang da yang sang ka hai hi na phami kapra. Our society is now more aware of the scourge of sexual abuse, and with more platforms to report, it is now realized that sexual abuse was much more prevalent in our society than previously thought. Sexual abuse kachi hi akai kathumai na khaibai kharibali child sexual abuse kakhnili sexual abuse on women kala kaktumbali sexual abuse on men. Now she not being hin vulnerable samai thu ye kachi ba athum hisang thailak homo jena athum abusers ping hi gachung jana atum na thai kham sui ka jiba wa atum we relative maninka ocha maninka tum we school li senior ping na hita hi sa lake it is not talked much but 1 in every 20 men has experienced sexual abuse in their lives chi thalla gender ma khaim nei single ma khaim nei standard of living marital status or culture chi hita khalam khai salala sexual abuse itumwi society la leching dale
Warning.
itumwi context li yang seje khawa itumwi top priority by hiva national pingli thada train ka sa ninka atumwi school ka thali educative programs ka tha khirami laga teenagers or national pingli ka thada react sara ka thada hita mi wi na ta distance sa khira chi ka thai li tam chi thai hita kar sai all we need now is social awareness self responsibility and an efficient platform to address to the menace nishnagere
hi thada han ngai le na wi ka phaning li na na hang khai thada sexual abuse hi gender ma khai nei ta hangai kan na wi ka phaning li women aina men yang mir now aina shinau hi ka chi pa na adam sang mai li victim sad le do kala ji khui wang aina sexual abuse we victim hi shinau na chung khmai atam li sad le ka mir now na victim sang khmai atam li sad le do
ina thai khui live shinau ping hin na ka sang khari victim samai ka chi pa wa athum na physically athum na ngasan mayau laga athum na vulnerable samayau ta mir na ping na abuse ka sa hi athum victim sat pai la ke
Okay. Second question. Chinao ping la national ping here victim sa da itum ta da pau ta da sha shon de le. Mir now la sexual abuse itum victim le de na hangai ri. Ka ka sang ka mai itum hi pau hi ma sha ma ne. Hi ngathum gai la sa pai yang. Hi ka ta da sa ka itum hi problem ba hi. Face sa da le hi ka ta da sa ka highlight sa pai ra kala kada da measure khui pai ra
sarakshi question ji pin san pai ra
shnawe na mir now hiwa shnawe na now shnaw hiwa itum newspaper lila about the shashon de victim the sexual abuse side yang mir now hiwa ja kham sha man le ningla ka in reality salak tak le na mir now la hi ka tha da sa ka mi ping na thei pai mai ra kala shock tak le hi athum victim ping hi ka da measure khui la ka da measure khui pai ra ka jine ka question ye shambarin hang lo chika ba mir now hi victim le kai nei yang ka chung mir now hi pang mai ye jaw ka da thumi da hi ka thawa pong hi lam mo tu la da victim ka sai ka victim sa la pam dak le la ka chung le sa re gi sa ne yang da hi ka da sa ka wa athum na la highlight sa mu tu shok leng ra yang kala mu tu shok ke sa thara na thum ni la ka da sa ka athum ni la console sa kui pai ra or measure ka da kui pai ra khla ji sa ne question ni
sexual abuse no we kyon mlem ni na sayong ga ham ni thata athum abusers ping na no we ning khan ji sak hai mi la gan li abuse sa mi khai ni ki maram hili social awareness ji thai mi la ga athum ni ning lum khang sak athum ni open sa shap khang sak mangai na athum ni kan so sak pai sare
okay thank you
Ning shla khai re china issue student parliament we khangachang ngasai re student parliament li participate sa mi kain tum sai khor li ning shi haire na tum na kutong am thala kan sa mi haire ta da lai raga it we announcing boot hili aru we participant ka jibuna announcing boot hili kharami laklo aru we participant thing na announcing boot hili kharami lo ga ji na tum li ka ji shat sad lai aru we jangkhai participant thing na announcing boot hili report khara sa mi lo ara issue we judges ping na mark chi tali sa da lai laga aje issue we poetry competition hila sa da khalai ne jaina hi we result hi issue with judges we pangli lai hai re jaina result ma mau shok rang laga poetry we judge pingli zakmai ga jithai kala ning shi pangran khami issue we zington hi we president na khuika mirano Aje issue we poetry hi we judge Sami Ghai Khaya Shigpaya kui remark Jipang Secretary Tangkul Literature Society guest judge ana mga shongrami reno kala Lashio M Wanshimpam lecturer Ukrol Higher Secondary School ana la mga shongrami reno pangran sa kami kala zagmai kajitay kagup ngashida Aje poetry hi we result Kaya shigapaya kui remark Jipang ana vaushok mi reno.
Kada poetry we result thing re ka ma chitherang laga ina tu khura ka khani hangai ye kunui thot ping na thum achui hile competition hile khu thrada khuena la sem ka pa sam bangai re na dum kunui thot ping la sem ka pi thei na nai re I thum judges ping kui ka za laga na mana hui gai ne ka hile arui hitada kapire hitada kapilo je he instruction hi na thumle khamili kathada mi haw khlam them ne ka kapi arahi ngate da radle ka organization we shongai na ba sonet aina kapilo da pawmi ga haine da hangdle itum karatot atamliya Arena tumui thada shep shiwi thada matam hai sathumada kratotlia la sem gjana kranauna la sem da ayur khniena kaping rok sak jene chia la sem sada tui cha chi ngrai cha cha na prenga wi salaga akhno sang laga stanza kharela khnaula ngrai jada akhno sang laga laina sapai jene Kalala knyeli hawla kasada da tuyarchi wak agdanga pa jen unghaw phoglui laga points a room sang laga agdanga jen unghaw phoglui da hawla wi style na kagapi chi satna sai kalala itumna lairik tam nawbingli tam ngawai kapi phok haidaran lia Arui shep shi wiji teo mai ga shilaga rhyming salagaina kaping rock sajin arui textbook ka chungalia chidada tamdele re da arui inana tumwe la sem pingi palaga tui kham thatha la jangdele la kapi thela khai la jangdele thrada ga painge ke thrada ga dong jina kare price samang ga pai la maning mane Jauda na tungwe kikaway organization bingwa tissue da matha makeup kaje kutum kuigi jauda atum kutum jim re ka array in a result hi ma mirang laga ina singtun katam na long basile ina nga kaw khngaya kha ina nga kaw khngaya kha na khigla je kha itum khranaw na thei ku khile kala array shok tak le itum na kathei hi tangkhu naw ping hi tangkhu tui matam ngai thure tangkhu naw ping hi tangkhu tui mag pi ngai thure
hili itumui sak tara khalere ukruli le dak lai o imfali la paye bookstores li tangku kranobina kapi gahai kharchan ka apong ngai ngai de dharma wi ka apong ngai de wi lyric tara khalai Gagabia bahina amanzang laga adamzang laga yangzang laga kapi laga yaru iri pawaru no da your migin bookstore hai migin tang ku nau kipa ka malom ne China ka hang ba tang ku nau hi tang ku tu matam ngai mana ma pa ngai mana je thai dele ina you experience ga hange hi ka hangai na i klatwe hange ma jimialo tangku nau na kya ka tangku dui matam ngai thuru khala gi ina kathaya ka hang sangai kachia kum gida metric li tangku gatha hi ting thum siga katam nau ting thum siga na tangku we schools pingai na thaching jine akama metric pass saga daran le 11 12 Gatam Dharanlia Tingalam Karamane. Chidaka Katai Tinkani Jikaliva Hauglogin. Textbook Kajana, class 12 Tamkwai, BA Damkai textbook on the layer. Katam normally Maneda BA Kipakal Matam Ladre. The he in we experience atishuda itum tangku now here itum na high school ya compulsory na da tamkang sagai laga metric thagai withilia tamku tu hosarawe whereas itumli kongnai pam daklai cookies pin na katha atumwa metric li thadaklai ji 11 12 li number sugida hi shakham kamne 팅구툼 나 타가 나다 팅그니 사츠고와 11 12를 가담 법함에 라가치 타다 아툼나 룽선 마이 하고다 아툼웨 텍스트북 라바키가 라바이 아툼나 마타메다 중메다 사투에르데 아툼와 아라비에 타파에르데 이tumwa 담각지 미밀레르데 he in a Jihan Kwamarambawa Itumhi Itumwe Atuili Malaysia through the day. Kalalak Itumwe Alungli Itumno observe Salaga a Hilaric Temek Shepsi to Temaga, a lyric tema the Kuidle day. The Isanaga and the Moaluga Ina, Iwi Apple Sangai Bawa, Itum Tanku Naune, Na take Roxana Lena, Ijaram Ramdui. Aknoa akui tangkuti mutiu segjili kapiu segjili kwat le sakabre chevo horhai sa se itumwa kashabaina dangda tangku tui hi saglala mang chamlala hi iram tuina da zat sangai no wi tuijila itumla shige iwi tuijila iram wi tuijila nutumla shilo naram tuijila itumla shilaga itumwi tangku tui ba he Katada racing Siglag he couldn't thought Muchukranire. Kalaka Yangla you chat Kangadabing wa Aramduena MCS Tasare, Tankurva Chile Kerfire. Then he canoe thought being in a he realized Musarang Lakanda itum he Murray Sang Murray. Itum Akmaili Zadire. Kum gajida metric we reserve yangla itume atuili suida gayena reserved divisions la ngate popome athangina hangaula khungjai naw bingwa katom hil chunghau la ningsang la tum ningsang meaw da exam atumi paperly shakli samang dali dai gaikwa itumwa Shagli hung chat some pong he bang and shanku shop to lide. The China Kahanga he Kahanga Gatum Gatam normally happening itum Avava Kranoping Hindala. Now Rally ตำโลดากกษัตริย์วัดฮาวายเด็กจีฮีไทยกุยเดลจีวังไงนะอินาพวกไงบ้านะก็ชาวบ้านจังได้ทุ่มอาตุฮีเรซังควายซาเซก็ดำนอบิงนั่นละตำไงละกันนะตำควายซาเซโอจาบิงนั่นละตำเซไงละกันนะตำเซเซอีทุ่มอักขณะค่ะ relation อะไรนั่นทุ่มสิงทุนบาสิเอนะจันทร์สาธุดูสิงโชบาสิลารเพย์บาสิลาฮีก็ถาค่ะฮีเรซังไปเรื่องจีฮีมาจุกรันให้เรหังไงนิ่งสลากเรอินะอีอาตมสังเคเรอะไรละเซมวี researching now เซอาทังอินะหังเอาละอีทุมคือทราดาคุเอนะละเซมทราดาค่ะสมังเอก็ชิวิงใจเลยกระทุ่มกระปังกระคุยเนกระทุ่มกระปังกระคุยวิงใจเลยก็กระทุ่มบ้าหินะคิกุมเราเลยฮีคือกะฮักเวนมเราอยู่ละนั่นละก็ดำน้ำก็จุงกะเคลบัมไว้นะมันยิงสุดเลยก็กระทุ่มฮีฮัทาเวนะก็ละก็ขึ้นเยหินะฮัทาลีก็เจ้าก็จงก็ไม่อยากคือคิกุมเราเซคอร์เวนะก็ละคาริบะฮีอาทุมริงนายบิงฮีริงนายบิงฮีลาเซมลินิงกสังคือมังจิจัดเนี่ยfirst position ฮีตุเซนจาฮงนิสลากเรอาทุมparticipants ก็ต้องมาทลากนะสาสเรก็กระทุ่มกระปองโลเจ้าดาอาศิกทุ่มนาตาใครเนี่ยนิ่งสไนเร
นิ่งฉลาดใครชีวิตขี้อาศิกปายคุยเรื่องมาร์คจิพังเพียวมิโลอินาทั้ง address ก็สาจำลี secretary ตังคุล literature society guest judge the address สามีใครเนี่ยค่ะ secretary มันนิ่งเนี่ยค่ะliterature society หุย president พงดักเลยเนี่ยอาจารย์นะนิ่งฉลาดใครอะไรอิชวีก็กุบอาจำฮีราให้เลยอาจจะงาซินฮิวีงายาฮิวีโปรแกรมฮีน่ะขังจังสาระค่ะบางจังเช้ารังละก็นั่นทุ่มละงานงายเลย student parliament ฮิวี result บางงานงายคือละมาฮี result ฮีงานคุยเสร็จละก็งานทานขวายซาเซ่ student parliament ฮิวี third ฮี serial number 9 to shareหินตายรู้เขาแล้วก็ second ฮี serial number 6 สระรู้ของหินตายเลย first participant ปิงว่าตุกจิตเลย first ฮี serial number 3 ไทยเนมหินคุยเลย student parliament วีก็แล้วทั้ง quiz วีว่าไทยประมาณเลยquiz bihina hangai thada first hi phalina kala second hi talui kala third na sirarkhong hidada team bihina khui khai ne hita quiz runo last sem ka kapil no kala society parliament hi hilila participate sami khai tum sai kor lining shila khai re kala khamataya judges sami khai tum pingli ning shila khai re na tongwi aman kasak atam khushok mi lagai shiwi katam now hiwi hikta ringapha atam kala hikta sports conference kasa hile sharuk khui mi da na tongwi ka themji tumli da contribute sa khami wang ning shila khai re gi judges sa ta khalai na tum sai korli phongshok le sitale ara archery nga zin program hina khangchang sai re akhama nga thor tak players ping nga thor tak samphang haure until then psychorally mang pha me serra
nasum le song fule zat mamandre laga akhama we fixture ngana man laga zat mi say men's football first match Tuition Zanhong versus Ngai Nge 6 a.m. link Rara Tuition Zanhong versus Ngai Nge second match Raude versus Lamlang 7:40 a.m. 7:40 a.m. Koksumale Ramvu versus Tora Ato Ramvu versus Tora Ato 10:20 a.m. Kamtiali Tainem versus Somdal 12 PM Ling Rara Kapngale Ringui versus Shrar Kong Ringui versus Shrar Kong 1:40 PM Ling Rara Katrukali Ringui Ramhon versus Pali 3:20 PM Li Kanawa Sada Rara Football Zangiji units being participants players being Kotongana ready Samisar Laga Atam Chalagin and Real Faisase Men's volleyball color women's volleyball Atam he 8 AM Ling Real Pokra team men's volleyball team first match in Shrar Kong versus Saikor Nangrera Kakinyali Tushen Chanhong versus Ringui Nangrera Kaktumali Raude versus Ringui Ramhon Kamdiali Tushar versus Rambu Kapangale El Pungter versus Tinchong women's volleyball first match Ngaingu versus Saikor Nangrera Kakinyali Tenem versus Ringui Ramhon Kaktumali Somdal versus Dalui Kamdiali Pali versus Ringui Tangrera Jena men's volleyball no women's volleyball no Akamang Reviji fixturely Mazang Maneda Ning Tako Kaina Mapa Mihaise winner being were Ning Krik Laga not to me player not to me Atam Rasa Lapaye Jena not to me Atam Giza Ready Salaga Lim Salo men's volleyball in a women's volleyball players being